Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. It's great to be back with you all here once again this morning. I have to say I'm a little bit nervous. My hands are sweaty. My palms are sweaty. It's incredible. The responsibility I feel and the love for all of you for being here with me, supporting my live shows every day. And thank you for everyone that supported everything throughout the vacation, watched everything, and took part in our cash giveaway, which comes up, of course, on Friday. It's going to be a great one. You can still enter, and we'll talk to you about that very, very soon as well. So, welcome back, Church of Logic. Yes, we got a good crowd here this morning. Let's get straight into the trades. And even though I prepared everything, it still seems a little bit daunting this morning. If everything is all as it should be. Anyway, until I get this one show out the way, I guess I'm going to be quite nervous. Welcome everybody over on TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, and of course the home of everything here on YouTube. All right, let's have a quick look. How many have we got in? We've got 24 in right now. That's fantastic. James, let's see who's in the chat first of all. We've got James, welcome back. Hope it was a refreshing break. It was. Mike, hello, church. Hello. Let's go through. We've got Bill, Theodore Roll. Who else have we got here? We've got, Drone Art Services is here. We've got Seb Dean is here. Wonderful. Touring, not boring. It's Drone Art. He's got 2 different accounts. I like that, which means he's smashed the like button twice. All right, if you've just tuned in this morning, thank you very much for being here. Look at that. We got the Church of Logic has been a member now for 4 months. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Please subscribe and ring the bell, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. There we go. And as always, thank you very much for everything. And here is the, where is my little thing? Where did that go? Do you know what? I've just forgotten. Where is that little thumbs up thing? Thumbs up's there, but there's a mini-me. I knew this was going to happen. Where did I put the mini-me? I put the mini-me there. Smash the like button. That's the one. That's the one I was looking for. All right, great. Right, so I want to ask you all, first of all, Jerry from Leaside, Jerry Mooney. I think we got a new guest here this morning. We got a new guest. We got Sydney back. Spaceline, Paddy, Portland Trailblazers. Absolutely great. Okay, let's get straight into the trades. I'm going to be... 11 months. Look at that. Bill has been a member for 11 months. Did you get the tea? No, I didn't get the tea. But thank you very much, Bill. Send me a message. Let's talk offline. Let's talk on text about that. So thank you very much, Bill, for that. I didn't, but we'll have a conversation about that. All right. Okay, this is my overall position. You've just seen my overall position right now. There you go, 38,000. I left you at, I think it was 29, 30. We've had a huge run. First of all, let's talk about a few different things. Let's talk about the name change. The name change of the show. What do you all think of the name change? Let's do a poll. And of course, while I've been away, YouTube have made a lot of changes. Do you like the new look? Okay. Let's have a yes and a no. Have we just got a new member? Let me just check that. Yes. Oh no. You got to have yes or no. All right. Let's have a little look. Do you like the new look? I'll put a poll up. Let's have a little look. Oh, NYS, member for 4 months. Hello, nice to see you again. Thank you so much indeed. Ail, welcome back. And all our guests, Ail, of course, was there for our day trader convention over there in the UK. It was wonderful to have you there with us. Wow, I cannot believe it. We have an incredible audience on TikTok today, 186. If you want to be part of our main show, we have cash giveaways every Friday. We have prize giveaways. We're here to help people. We're here to buy great businesses at great prices. That's what we do. It's a simple strategy. Every time my stocks go below my all-time low, I buy some more if the fundamentals haven't changed. And we'll talk about Meta in a minute. But if you'd like to be part of that, come out of the main live show, click on my icon and you'll see my YouTube link. That's where we are. That's where we do our giveaways. Welcome to all of you. Thanks for all the follows. I've been away for a month, but I'm back live again. Thank you very much indeed. Right, let's get back to it. So Yes, 92%. We're having a vote right now. 13 votes, 92. So let me tell you why. Let me tell you why I've renamed the show. So, Raymond Harrison just subscribed. We got another subscriber. It's going mental this morning. So basically, this is the situation. We started this show a year and a half ago. And I've just come back from a month's vacation. And at the end of the day, we called it the Day Trader. Now, I do trade every day. That's why I thought of it. I trade every single day, live. Everything is real. Everything you see here is my real money, and so on and so forth. So I called it the Day Trader. But the Day Trader can be quite a negative approach, because a lot of people, including Elon Musk, doesn't care less or even like day traders. And I actually realized, even though I do trade every day and I am here live every day, I'm not a day trader. I'm an investor who buys great companies at great prices, do my research in the CEO. Are they creating something original and special and unique? And then also, can I buy it at an all-time low? So if I buy it at this price, I'm now looking for it for this price. Because remember, I have an exact objective. There's no cloud or illusion or drama to this. I know I want my portfolio to be worth $100,000 by the end of this year, hopefully. If not this year, next year. And that is all I need. $100,000 portfolio is all I need to provide me with the standard of living I need, because I have no debts, I have no car loan, and I have no mortgage. So that's all I need. It's all I want. A very simple life. But I don't need to achieve that until I'm 65. Even then, I won't retire. I'll be doing this, forever. I'm 53 now. So all I'm looking to do is buy great companies, be in the market, trade every day, invest every day. But if I buy a stock here, I'm now looking to buy it here. I don't want to buy any more at here. I've got enough. There's enough invested in my portfolio now to grow my portfolio to where I need to go. So I'm not looking to buy any more of anything above my minimum price that I've paid for it. I'm now looking for the opportunities like Meta and Apple and Microsoft and Google and all these companies over the last few days presented me, and I doubled down on nearly all of them, and I will go into them in detail shortly. Anyway, first of all, I want to thank you all for being here. Have you all smashed the like button, subscribed, and rung the bell? Over there on TikTok, we've got a great audience as well. Thank you to all of you. But yeah, go and smash the like button if you've not already done that. There he is, Mr. Mini-Me. So that's where we are. Now, while I've been gone, a lot's been going on. I've been watching you all and following you on Discord. Thank you for keeping Discord going and the community going. And I've had a wonderful time. We'll talk about my holiday as time goes by. But this Friday, we are doing the Star Prize giveaway. Now, if you've not entered it yet, you can still enter. You can still be in the Star Prize giveaway on Friday. All you've got to do is go on to the main page and look at the playlist. It's right at the top of the page, Investing in the Stock Market. Now, if you click play all here, and let it run through. There are 42 videos. If you let it run through, and as it runs through, just put a like and Star Prize, the comment in each time, you can be in on the draw on Friday. I will tell you, only a handful of people have watched them all and left the comment and liked it. You have to watch it all. Each one's 5 minutes. So if you put the playlist on at the end of today's show and let it run through, you will have then watched it all. It will just run all the way through. So you don't even need to think about it. So you can still do it, and the draw will be on Friday, and you can choose anything you want, from the cheapest to the most expensive item from the merchandise store, and I will send that to you. All right? Fantastic. So there you go. That's how you can still be in the draw. Let's go through all our stocks and see our positions right now. Oh, yes, getting back quickly. Why did I name the show? So Martyn Lucas Investor. Also, because I trend on Google, which is even obviously is the owner of YouTube, on as Martyn Lucas. Because of my music channel, I trend on as Martyn Lucas. So it made sense to call it Martyn Lucas, because I do trend for that. I don't trend for other things. Martyn Lucas, SPCE stock, of course, I trend for. But Martyn Lucas, obviously, I trend mainly is my name. So Martyn Lucas Investor makes sense. The more I push my name, the more people will search for me on YouTube and Google and find the channel, which could be good. And it is a reflection of what this channel really is. Investing in great companies at great prices, and that's what we're all about. So I'm glad you all liked it. The thumbnails will update next week. I know this week's thumbnails are still the day trader. They will update this week. Anyway, let's go through our positions and let's read some of these comments. Hi, how are you? Says Portland Trailblazers. Paddy, hey Mike, welcome back Monday and happy new beginning. Santiago Perez. Let me put some of these comments on the screen. There we go. If you put your comment in the chat, I'll put it on the screen for you. Santiago Perez, we got a new guest here. Jerry Mooney, Jerry from Leaside. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. That's where I've been. And my studio here is in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you, Jerry Mooney. Welcome to the family. Let's have a look. Sydney, Canada. Here he is, Spaceline. Los Angeles, welcome to you. What type of jet lag did you find more challenging, to west or east? Oh, by far going to the east. Going to the UK, it took nearly a week to get over it, in fact. And in fact, it was probably more than a week. It was an absolute nightmare. Is this your first day back, Mark? Yes, it is. First day back. Good to see you again. Daniel, thank you very much. If anyone subscribes to me, hits the little star at the top on TikTok, you get exclusive content. I answer all your questions. I share with you all my information on Discord. Plus, I'll make you a promotional video. I will put your channel on this screen here and invite every one of my nearly 25,000 followers on TikTok to follow your channel, and I'll put it on my main profile. It'll actually be a commercial for you. So if you want to grow your channel, become a subscriber. If you were a subscriber and you let it lapse, you need to renew it every month. Same as Twitch. I've noticed we have a cash giveaway on Twitch every month. First Friday of the month, so it'll be this Friday coming. We got our cash giveaway for all our subscribers on Twitch, and you need to renew it using your Amazon Prime. And I've noticed we've got 5. We've lost about 10 while I've been away, which makes sense. Not been streaming, so you need to renew that. Anyway, let's move down to the comments. Paddy is here. Hi, everybody. Any news on Virgin Galactic earnings? We will discuss that in today's show. Of course, you saw me at Virgin Orbit. I'm now going to go to the Virgin Galactic space station. See your messages. Thank you, Bill. Mike has liked it. He said, welcome back from Ale. Let's have a little look. Hello, Seb17. Let me scroll down because I'm getting a bit behind. Definitely want a higher retirement than that. Yeah, but that's my first aim, Church. Remember, I'm after a very simple life. I don't really want many things. But anyway, hi everyone, welcome back. Ian Jackson, there we go. Welcome back, Ian Jackson. Thank you, Ian, for being here. I don't care what the name is. Oh, look at that. I don't care what the name is. Just keep doing the great job, the great work you do. Name don't matter. It's the content. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. You could call it anything you like Mr. Beast, for example. No one comes for the title. I get it. But the reason why you have a good title on YouTube is so people understand who are visiting what the content is about. But also, if you can create something that's searchable on YouTube, on Google, that's a benefit. But other than that, you're absolutely right. It doesn't mean anything. But also, the last point is you want it to be authentic. People often said, you're not a day trader. So, that was another point anyway. I like a lot the new name of the channel. Thank you, Ale. Thank you. Good to be back. Sam, welcome home, Rocket Man. Now, the first thing we're going to do, the first order of business is today to recognize, later on in the show, Bill's birthday. We missed it. This show is all about you, as you know. So later on in the show, we're going to go over to the studio, and we are going to, of course, do a song right behind me here in the studio for Bill. It's his birthday. He missed it. It was like a week or so ago in mid-October, 19th of October. So it's still worth doing, right? I'll be back. Got to run to the office. Okay, Church, you be quick then. Yeah, yes, we enjoy the new name of the channel. Lovely. Hey Sam, it's wonderful to have you here. Lovely stuff. Did you get the Rio Tinto dividends? Yes, it went into my cash. It went into my cash. There we go. I've got through all the comments. Okay, let's go through all our stocks. We've got 45 minutes before the bell goes. We're We're ahead of schedule today. We're very, very early. So let's run a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And I'm back. There you go. I wonder if you saw a commercial break. Let me just test that. I don't know if we did or didn't. I don't know. Did anybody see a commercial break? Let me know if you did. Let's have a little look down here. It's my nan's funeral this Thursday, and I'm singing Candle in the Wind. Oh, beautiful. Perfect song, of course. And we're very sorry to hear that news, Sam. I was aware of your nan not being well. That's why you couldn't be with us in Cornwall. We know that. But anyway, I'm very sorry for you and your family. We'll be thinking of you, of course. Halloween today. Bill's birthday coming up. Teodoro, not me. Teodoro, not me. What's not me? What did he say? I did. What's that? William Wallace. Hello to William Wallace. What did oh, not me. Oh, not you didn't see. Not me, meaning, oh, you didn't see the ad. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit weird. I don't know if they're coming through at the moment. It's a lot of new things on YouTube at the minute. But, you know, I did a lot of preparation, but there's only so much you can do virtually. You have to go live. Just stopping by on my busy day to let you know you're not forgotten. Real Ray, we missed you, of course, in Cornwall. Real Ray was going to be with us on Cornwall. He's in Cornwall. He's over with us on TikTok. Let me share with you. Let me share with you right now.
Hours.
Let me just bring him up. This is Real Ray.
Share with you right now. Hours.
Let me mute that. There we go. There he is. Look, if you look on the screen right now, let me bring it in. I'm just a little bit rusty today. I knew this was going to happen, even though I practiced it. Can you see Real Ray on the? There he is. There's Real Ray on the screen. Real Ray, you're on the screen now in about 10 seconds. Lovely to have you here, and I thank you for being a subscriber still. Hello from Nigeria, Ola. Thank you for you. Actually missed your content and the day live together. Well, I'm back again now, and it's wonderful to have you here. So thank you for missing me. Appreciate it. All right. Okay. Let's go back to our position right now. This is our position right now. As you can see, we are at 38,000. Let me make a slight tweak to that. There we go. Some of these things you can't actually do until you actually go live. But there you go. All right, welcome everybody. Sorry, I missed you all, but it was holding my nan's hand enough. Absolutely. Dexter Sickles is here. There he is. Dexter's here. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you ever so much for being here. Dexter, you need to rewind the video. A lot's gone on, lots been said. 56 people have come through the show so far. Oh, I can't believe it. That's absolutely incredible. I wish I'd shown you that. We've just gained 3 subscribers. We're at, what, 5,133. So that's started to move now. Fantastic. As you can imagine, things have been a bit slow for the last month. But nevertheless, the guys that watched the video, and the gals, of course, that watched the video, you kept everything going for me. I appreciate it. Right, let's go through our stocks. Where are we at right now? The S&P 500. I bought more. I hit an all-time low for a few moments. I do love the new look. Thank you very much indeed, Dexter. Thank you very much indeed. The thumbnails will be updated next week. They're still the old thumbnails this week. Anyway, S&P 500, I bought more. Virgin Galactic, I bought a lot more. Look how many I have now, folks. 2,100. My average now is 493. I've been to Virgin Orbit. Hopefully you've seen the video. I'm going to Virgin Galactic, with your support at least, I will. And we're going to film from there as well. And we're going to have, the people that came to the UK party, and we had a wonderful time with Tom and all of you. They want to do it again next year. Everybody wants to come back and more. But we're going to be in America next year. We're going to be in America. Now, there's a toss-up between being between being in in New York, outside the New York Stock Exchange, or New Mexico for Virgin Galactic. And that's where we're going to be for our convention next year. And I've already got Tom and others who were at the UK one wanting to come to the US one. So it's starting to build. I'm very excited about our community and our family and everything else. So very, very exciting. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, I bought more. Virgin Orbit. Even though I went to Virgin Orbit, I don't like the way the stock trades. I sold my position for a profit, and I'm waiting to buy it back at an average of 268. I'm not paying any more for it because it's too not volatile in a good way, volatile in a pointless way. It doesn't seem to want to like itself. It just seems to scalp itself. So I'm out. I've got one share right now as a market share. Tesla. I bought more Tesla when it dipped. I'm down 2.87. Don't mind. 43 shares now. I bought a lot more of Tesla. Well, not a lot more, but a bit more. About 4 or 5 shares of Tesla, which is in the old money, about 1 and a bit. Rivian, I haven't bought any more Rivian, and I'm up 28%. Plenty of profit in Rivian. I could sell it at any point, but I know at the price that I paid for it, it's just a great, great deal. I'm in a very strong position. I can always sell it if I need some money. I don't ever see it losing 28%, not at that price. So I'm happy. Lucid, I haven't bought any more Lucid. I'm plenty exposed in the EV market. Arrival, guess what, folks? I bought a tiny bit of Arrival, and I'm actually up 8%. When it went down to something like, what was it, 69 cents, I thought, do you know what? It's a junk stock. It's a lottery ticket now. It could go bankrupt. I'm not going to buy thousands of it, but you know what? At 69 cents a share, you only need it. You only need 100. So I bought 161. Don't ask me why I bought 161. I did. And you know what? If it goes up to $20 a share in 10 years, I've got a bit of money, right? So that's the way I look at it. It's a lottery ticket. And I'm up on it. At 69 cents, I'm up on it. Don't get me wrong. I think it's potentially a bankrupt stock, but that's another lottery ticket. Why not? I won't buy any more. Don't see any point. Amazon. Amazon. What a sell-off of Amazon. Now, the way I look at it is this. And this is another reason why we've changed the name of the show. I am looking for great companies at great prices. I'm looking at companies that are the most resilient to grow in the future. I'm looking at companies that are unique, proprietary, do something that nobody else does, better than everyone else, can handle inflation more than anyone else, has more power to compete than anyone else. And Amazon is one of those. And you know the rest of them. We're going to come on to them in a minute. So when this went down, I just bought more. I'm not selling it. I'm holding it. We're going through a difficult time of inflation. This Wednesday, we've got the FOMC report. We're going to report it live. I'm going to be there with you. And we're going to cover it live. So make sure that you tune in for this Friday, and we are going to cover the this Wednesday, we are going to cover the FOMC report, okay? So Amazon, I bought more of that. Apple, well, what can I say? What a crazy dip that was on earnings. Apple sold less iPhones, but they beat earnings. They're making money now in other things. This company, you cannot do better. So there's a reason why Warren Buffett owns a huge amount of Apple. I just bought more, haven't sold it, added to my position, and I've never actually been up. Remember, I came into the market at the worst time ever, as we were coming out of COVID and we were rising up, and everybody and his dog was making money. Remember, I always said anyone can make money on the stock market. It's keeping the money is the hard bit. And so I came in at the worst time ever. I didn't buy Apple going into growth. I bought Apple at its peak post-COVID. So anyway, I've never been in the money with Apple, so I bought more, and I'm up, as you can see, slightly, 0.78. And if it goes down again, I'll buy some more, but only if it goes below my minimum. Now, my average is 152, but that is not my minimum. My minimum is, what did I buy here? That looks like a dividend. August 11th, reinvested, Apple. Tell a lie, look. I didn't buy any more Apple. I know I didn't. I know why. I didn't buy any more Apple because it's a large enough part of my portfolio. That's right. It's 4.6, which is 5% is the maximum I want for a company like this. So I didn't buy any Apple. I apologise for that, but I don't really need to. I would if it dropped a lot, but anyway. Robinhood, of course, they report this week. Would you ever buy on the way up? No. I want to get my portfolio to be so comfortable that I want to be like the guys who invested 20 years. Whoops. I just smacked the table. I want to be like the guys who bought 20 years ago that are up, 200%, 300%. I've got friends who bought Amazon. They're up like 1,000, 2,000%. I want to be like those people. So when we have bad years like this, I'm not bothered. Remember, I'm not just scalping off the top unless I think the fundamentals have changed. Essentially, we're buying great companies at the best prices. So no, I don't want to buy on the way up. Not if I've got enough already. If there's new growth, perhaps, maybe. Oh, Brickmark, member for 4 months, been here for 4 months, and I will be for many more. Brickmark is here. Thank you very much indeed, Brickmark, for your thoughts there and your continued support. Thank you very much indeed. Awesome. I will tell you that we lost members over the time I've been away, but we are up from my target. We had 60 real members. And we did a lot of membership giveaways. We did a lot of membership gifts, and we got like to 120 at one point. And I thought, blimey, there's a lot of people here who've got memberships who may or may not keep it. Well, some of them did. So we've dropped back now to 79, which is great. All I wanted to do while I was away was at least hold where I left off. That would be a success without going live or doing any shows. If I could hold at 60, I'd be thrilled to bits. Well, we're at 78, 79. So very, very good. Couldn't be better, to be honest. All right. McDonald's. I have never been up in McDonald's. I'm now up 12.5%. I added to my position on the way up. I'm very, very happy. Looking for it just to grow. If emergency money, if I need to get hold of it. Coke. I've never been up in Coke. Never been up in Coke. I'm now up 2.55. Any news on Virgin Galactic? We'll come on to Virgin Galactic shortly. Best soft. Those socks are so pretty. Yeah, if you want to get the day trader socks for Christmas, they're in the store. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not mentioning Christmas. I can't do that. I hate when people do that. Anyway, Johnson & Johnson. I've hardly ever been up in Johnson & Johnson. I'm up 3.66. What a great situation that is. Great. Very, very happy. I'm finally making money on Johnson & Johnson. Now, again, I'm not adding any more right now. Just loading up my cash. Google. I cannot believe that Google sold off, right? This is why it's so important. Another reason why I wanted my name to change to Martyn Lucas Investor. Because there are so many people who fundamentally are just greedy, selfish, don't understand the company, never understood the company, and we're going to come on to Meta in a minute, which will really be an eye-opener. And the markets, remember, the stock prices wouldn't go down unless people sell. They stay where they are. They only go down when people sell. Simple as that. If you invest in a company, are you doing it to follow the leader just to grab some quick cash? Maybe you are. Nothing wrong with that really, I suppose. Or are you investing in a company that is going to grow, do good things, be bigger in the future? Fundamentally, I'm investing in the company. I'm not investing in the stock price. I don't really care about the stock price unless it goes down. Remember, red days are the great days. Green days, you just sit and count your money, right? So we know that ad revenue is down. But who better to deal with a return to strength than Google? It's not going anywhere. I put my life on it. Google is not going to disappear and be replaced. It's the backbone of every platform. Everyone has Google, however you use it, Google Chrome, whatever. It is not going anywhere. And at the end of the day, when things start to improve, which they have to at some point, people want to invest. And where they're going to invest, they're going to invest on the best platforms Google, YouTube to advertise their companies. Of course they are. So when Google sold off, now you might ask, why am I down 6.96? Well, because I already had shares at 20% higher. And when it went down, you know, even though I bought a lot more shares, I think I doubled my position. Look, I'll share with you. Look, October 27th, 26th, 25th. I kept buying. There's 8 shares just there. Look, I kept buying and buying and buying. My average isn't going to come down. Look, I bought at 90. Look, bought at 92. We're at 95 now, right? I kept buying and buying and buying. My average is still down 6.95 because I was like, you know, I was up at 120, 130. So at the end of the day, you know, I was already in. So it's my responsibility to, you know, to buy this stock. I believed in it when it was 120, 150, whatever it was at some point. So why would I not buy it at 92? Fundamentals haven't changed. So that's what I did with that. I mean, totally great. I mean, it's like going back 2 years. Microsoft, exactly the same. I didn't buy as much of Microsoft. I prefer Google, I have to be honest, and J&J, Coca-Cola, McDonald's, all those things. Microsoft, I love it, but I bought some more, but not a lot. Now we come on to this one. This is actually quite funny. This one shows the lack of investment understanding. Let's talk about Meta right now. Meta has a CEO called Mark Zuckerberg. Oh, throw the tomatoes. Everybody hates Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg's an idiot, apparently. Well, that's the guy who invented Facebook, one of the biggest companies in the world. Had more cash than anyone. Ridiculous. Cash cow. Makes money for doing nothing. Prints money. Suddenly, because Facebook started to grow and grow and grow, people who hated Facebook, people who hated Mark Zuckerberg, bought the stock. Up it went, and up it went, and up it went. The guy everybody thought was an idiot, they made a film about him. Remember that film? No one liked him. Everybody moans about Facebook. Everybody has a moan about it, but everybody uses it. Was it 2.9 billion customers? Everybody moans about it, but everybody bought it, and up it went. So that shows you that people aren't investing in the company. They're not investing in the belief of the company. They're just getting on a bandwagon. Well, I didn't get on a bandwagon at all. I owned some when it dropped significantly, when I thought it had dropped significantly. And then, of course, came the earnings report. And oh my gosh, do you know it's one of the biggest losses ever on the stock market in history for any company? It's the biggest loss ever. Right? Now then, why? Well, it's because Mark Zuckerberg is pretty much on his own, doing his own thing. He's got no one else telling him what to do, pretty much. But remember, he invented Facebook. You got to give the guy the credit. This isn't an idiot. You might not like him. You might not like Facebook. But everyone uses it. All right? We all like to moan about stuff, but we all use it. At the end of the day, he believes in the metaverse. I don't. I hate the idea. I don't think I'll ever do it. The VR headset, really expensive. Who's going to buy that? $2,000 or whatever it is. Or was it $1,300? I can't remember now. Anyway, who's going to buy that? Who's going to sit? I'm not going to wear one. I'm not going to do it. Right? I hate it. Does that mean Meta's rubbish? Meta has, I think, more customers than anybody else in the world. Is it 2.9 billion customers? Something like that. Half the world, 2/3 of the world, I don't know. Some ridiculous number. I don't need to get down into details. It's irrelevant. But, you know, a huge amount. They could pivot in 5 minutes. Mark Zuckerberg could make an announcement. We're having a real breakthrough with our metaverse, and we don't need to spend X billion dollars this month. If we're going to spend half that amount, the stock price would rocket up. Now, you might go, well, you bought the dip. How come you're down 19%? Because I already had shares. I bought the dip. I'd have to buy another $4,000 worth to get it down to -8. Well, I don't want to do that. I don't want Meta to be my number one stock. I don't like Facebook. I use it. I have it. I'm streaming live on Facebook now. Hello, everybody on Facebook. But it's not my favorite thing. But I do like to make money. And I do know that Facebook, with the amount of customers it has, and remember, its customer base, its users have gone up. It's actually gone up. And on that very quick note, I need to run a very, very quick commercial break. Tell me if you see the commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we are back. Tell me if you saw a commercial. I hope somebody did, otherwise it's not working. And I'm earning no money. Anyway, there we go. Let's see what happens. So Meta can pivot in a heartbeat. Now, whether you believe in the metaverse or not, it's got the customers. It's spending its money. Maybe it shouldn't, but it can stop spending it. It's still earning it. It's still earning it. More people are using Facebook. More people are watching those ads. And when we pivot, which we will, when ad spend starts going up, which it will, Meta are best placed for that, and they could pivot in a heartbeat. So I'm buying more. I have a huge amount of Meta, for me anyway. It's 4.88%. It's a huge part of my portfolio right now. So there you go. I totally think it's a great idea. Anyway. So, Ale, you have already chosen your Christmas gift, only socks. If you click on the socks in the chat and go onto the day trader, you'll see all the other, sorry, not the day trader, bloody hell, onto the, you saw an advert, great, it worked then. That's good. That's good then, it worked. If you go into the shop, you will actually then see, oh, that's updated now, is it? That's good. Look, if you go into the shop, you can scroll down and you can see all the other things. It's just a link to the main shop. But Paddy and Alicia, I don't know if you remember, but you have all your own stuff. You've got pictures with your names on it and everything. If we scroll down, look, let's keep going down. We've got all the Bitcoin stuff. We got the on tour in the UK. I've just realised something. Yeah, I'll fix that later. Just realised some of the items aren't being shown. There is a slight anyway. Yeah, I've just realised there's a few things that aren't being shown. Anyway, I'll fix that later. Look at Meta right now. Right. Nice little uptick there. So anyway, let's carry on. Let's keep going through our stuff. SoFi, nice improvement today. I bought some. I didn't buy any more. I apologise. I didn't said I did that. Space earnings. I saw an ad. Yes, space earnings. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. A few of you are mentioning that now. Virgin Galactic, available November the 3rd, after hours. Now then, I don't know if you've been paying much attention to Virgin Galactic while I've been away. A lot of hirings going on. A lot of hirings going on. I will come on to that on another video later in the week. We will cover the Virgin Galactic earnings. Yes, we will cover the earnings. They've received more money for tickets. I think earnings could be okay. LinkedIn shows a lot of hiring. Yes. LinkedIn shows a lot of hirings. Yeah, you look. That's where I'm finding it as well. Yes. So let's do that. November the 3rd, after hours. So what's that? Thursday. We will do that. Let's end this poll. Let's end the poll and let's have a little vote. Look at that, 86% like the new look. Great. Okay, great. Let's do another poll. I want to ask you this question. Will you join me for SPC earnings after hours? After hours on November 3rd, right? Yeah. November 3. Yes or no? Let's. I think is that Thursday night? I think it's Thursday night, isn't it? Thursday night. Ask the community. There you go. Yes. No problem. Yeah. Ale wants the socks from my shop. Right. Let's carry on going. Ion Q. I'm up 5%. I haven't bought any more. PayPal. I'm out of PayPal right now. Rolls Royce. I'm out of Rolls Royce right now. Walmart. Look at my Walmart position. I haven't bought any more. I'm just enjoying a 16% up now. And if you remember when I bought it, again, on a ridiculous earnings. Do you remember? This was the earnings, just like Facebook, just like Meta. This happened. Overselling, overreaction. People that have no place on the stock market. People who don't invest in companies, they invest in prices. And I don't do that. This show doesn't do that. That's not what this show's about. Willie Hess says Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot. Now, this is the point. Someone on TikTok is saying Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot. Now, let's remember, this is the guy who invented Facebook. Became one of the richest men in the world. Is he really an idiot? Or is he a visionary? Or is he a creator of a great company? I would be quite offended, wouldn't you? If you'd have invented Facebook against all the odds, against everybody going against you, and you created what you created, and people thought you were an idiot, would you not feel a bit like, hang on a minute, I invented Facebook and took it to $1 trillion company? I don't know. Anyway, Target, I'm up 11%. Very, very nice indeed. Things are getting better. You can see now that this is my portfolio rising up. We've got just over 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Looking all right. Let's carry on. We're now at Tesco. Tesco. I bought a lot more Tesco. Did that just dip out? No, it didn't. No, it was fine. Just wanted to check that was okay. Yeah, that was good. Please create a new shirt inspired to Cornwall. Okay. I think we have one. We do. We have one. If you look here, ladies, let me share with you this one here. We do. We have a Cornwall stuff. Look. We have the Cornwall stuff on tour, UK 22. Look. There you go. We have the Cornwall stuff. We do. Did you miss it? Did you not see the Cornwall stuff? Look. There's more as well. Look. Ladies' t-shirts. Day Trader on tour. We do. We have it. Dallas to Newquay. Look. See it? There you go. Look. It's all there. It's already on the shop. Already done for you. THG worth a look. Seb Dean. We'll have a look at that. THG. We'll have a look. Let's carry on going. Tesco's. I bought more. Remember how that went down ridiculous price? Got a dividend paying out soon. $58. Look, $58. Very nice indeed. Canoe, I've not bought any more. I'm out of the stock at the moment. A lot of beat up with semiconductors, but I see great opportunity in other places. Tilray Brands, I'm up 4.73. I don't think I bought any more of this one, but anyway, I'm up on it now, a decent amount. Ginkgo Bioworks, I haven't done anything. Enphase Energy, I'm still in there, and I'm up 4%. Now, people kept telling me Enphase Energy is at the top of its growth curve with a 21,000% growth curve. It can't go any more. Well, yes, it can. How many percent of the world is using solar right now? I'm going to guess it's no more than 1%. I don't know. but I'm guessing it's very, very low. The point is, when we've got 90% of the world on solar, which we will, then you can start saying end-phase energy has reached a peak. Until then, you can, because it ain't. So I'm holding it. I'm not buying anymore. I don't need to. It can keep doubling up. Bitcoin SV. Now, you might notice some drama here. They've had some issues here. They've had some miners do some very unscrupulous things. And what this means is BSV, you can't transfer it to and from a wallet, but you can buy and sell it on Robinhood. And I contacted Kurt Wookert. Remember him? Come on the show. And I said to him, what's the deal here? And he said, everything's fine. Well, I take people as I see. He's always been fair and straight with me, as far as I know. Okay. I said to you I'd never sell it, and I haven't. I believe it's something you just hold forever. And if Bitcoin goes to a gazillion, million, trillion dollars, then great, I've got some. Let me read some comments here on TikTok. It wasn't even his idea. It was his roommates in the dorm. They had the two other people that invented it. Yeah, we've all seen the movie, but the movie is not real life, okay? Mark Zuckerberg, what are you talking about? You're trying to pump and dump Meta. Oh my gosh. You don't understand my show at all. I never pump or dump anything. I'm a tiny YouTube channel. I'm a tiny TikTok channel. I'm not pumping and dumping it at all. I own it. I'm holding it. I only ever sell it on air in front of everyone. So if you can't listen to me, that's absolutely fine. This isn't the channel for you. This isn't a pump and dump channel. We always tell the truth. We're here to support everyone. And there you go. You won't get a more honest channel online. Bitcoin. Now then, I'm up 7%. I've got a very small position. I told you I'd buy more when it went below my minimum price, which it did. I've now got an average of 19.3. Still believe it's going to crash. If it goes up, great. I've got some. If it doesn't, so be it. Ethereum, I haven't got hardly any at all. It's up 50% now. I could have made some money on Ethereum, but I didn't. Anyway, the haters are back. Yeah, I know. I know. By the way, so you are completely in the light, to say, I've changed the name Martyn Lucas Investor everywhere. On TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. All right, so we all know where we are. Crag, welcome to Crag. Let me put Crag on the screen. There you go. Crag, lovely to have you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes. For your birthday, Ale, would be a better laptop. No, she wants lots of socks and T-shirts. She doesn't want a laptop. She wants T-shirts and socks from the Day Trader shop. That's what she wants. 90% of you are going to join me for Virgin Galactic earnings. Great. 10 votes. Lovely. Okay, I'll set it up. Now, coming up this week on Martyn Lucas Investor, we have upcoming live streams. We have, of course, opening and closing bell, but on Wednesday, FOMC report. That'll be there. And, of course, our cash giveaway, which is a star prize this Friday. This Friday. Right, stocks are rising. Stocks are rising. Looking pretty decent. Looking pretty decent right now. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. How many likes have we got now? 23 likes. Not too bad at all. Should we do... How many have we got watching right now? Yeah, I haven't done this, have I? I haven't done this. So, what we want you to do now is we want to get 30 likes in 1 minute. You ready? Here we go. I forgot about this button. All right, 30 likes. We got 25. There they go. Look, smash the like button. Here's the Mr. Mini-Me. I tell you what, it's hard flying around here. There we go. Smash the like button. You got 40 seconds to go. We've got 25 likes. There's 30 watching. Let's do it. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. All right. Thank you very much indeed. I'm struggling here to remember all my buttons. timers. There we go. Wrong one. Oh my God. That's what I meant to do. Anyways, not that easy coming back after a month, no matter how much you prepared. Hello there, Siddhartha, Peter Maycock. Good to have you back, Martyn. Hope you are well. Hey, now don't forget, England is 1 week ahead of the time zone. So the shows might seem out of sync for our UK audience. You are familiar with that, right? The time zone is ahead in the UK, but not in the US. We join you next week. Thank you for all the follows. Daniel Innocent, thank you so much indeed. If you subscribe to me on TikTok, the little star here, if you click that, you get exclusive content. I share with you my portfolio in detail on Discord. I also make videos for you answering your questions. But more important than that, if you want to grow on TikTok, I will make you a commercial. There's Bill. He's come back with the flowers. He's the first one. Look at that, Bill. Bill is one of my Luca badges. See, look, he's got a little badge. Look, he's one of my subscribers. If you subscribe to me, you need to do it every month. Well, you can cancel them whenever you want, but you manually do it every month, or you can set it up to recur every month. What I do is I make promotional videos. I put your channel on this screen here and promote your channel. Invite everyone to follow your channel. And my 25,000 followers will get a commercial to go and follow your channels. If you want to grow on TikTok, and you want to support my channel and you want to help me, I do that for you. I'm here to help everybody. And also, of course, you can be in all our cash prize giveaways as well. We're live on YouTube right now, and we're giving away a star prize on Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. You don't have to pay anything at all. The link's in the profile. If you're on TikTok right now, click the profile, come out of the main live show, and you'll see my YouTube link, or you can click on the all links button, and it'll take you right into YouTube. And every Friday, we have a cash giveaway. This Friday, we got a prize giveaway. It's really, really great. Really exciting. If you want to be part of it, come into YouTube, and when you come into YouTube, say, I'm from TikTok, say hello, and we'll give you a really nice warm welcome. All right? Okay, we got just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. The S&P is down slightly. Boom, chicky, chicky, Merlin Martin is back. Hello, Paddy. Hope everyone's well. Peter Maycock is here. Church is back. He ran to the office. Are you all right, mate? What did I miss? You missed everything. You missed everything. You should never leave the show. I mean, you've been gone a month. I mean, couldn't you have planned going to the office a little bit more conveniently? I mean, for a whole month you've been gone. I can't believe it. And I've been gone for a month, and then when I come back, you have to go to the meet. You have to go. I can't believe it. Anyway, I'm looking for a button. I can't find it. Here we go. Traders. Who should we hear from? Who should we hear from? Ed Nevius?
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
brilliant. I love it. Who else is here today that I can play their videos? The Queen's not here. Uzi Mackey's not here. Kurt's not here. Who can I play? Stu is Stu here today? Church of Logic. We'll play Church. We'll play Churchy.
I have to first say that
there he is.
This show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information. Doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat.
There
the
you
Day
go.
Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
There we go. We got Paddy here, right?
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
There you go. There's Paddy. Paddy was there at the party in the UK in Cornwall. It was great to see you. And Ayo was there as well. Wonderful to have you there. Amazon's just taking a bit of a drop. Not looking to buy anything this morning unless it goes down dramatically. Apple, we've got just 5 minutes to go now. We'll bring up the clock in a second. In fact, we'll get ready to do it now. Here we go. Let's bring up the clock right now. 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes. There we go. 5 minutes ago. Robinhood earnings coming up this week. McDonald's, I'm up 12.5% now. Very, very, very nice. Coca-Cola, great. Where are we going to go now then? I remember my first call. Yes. Google, Microsoft, Meta, just going sideways. No one wants to touch it right now. That's half the problem. I've just realised, where's my overlay gone? There we go. The ticker. Let's bring that back in again. There we go. That's better. SoFi, IonQ, everything will be good until Powell starts his yap again. Of course, that's on Wednesday. Yeah, well, eventually, church, it's got to go the other way. Are you in a position to make the most of it? Eventually, it's going to go the other way. So we shall see in time. Down just 1.15 at the moment. That's good. Shall we have a quick look, see if we've gained any subscribers today? Let's have a quick look. We've got just 4 minutes to go, just under. Let's have a quick look. 5136. We gained 3 to the beginning of the show, so that was pretty good. Very happy with that. How many people are watching live right now? Let's have a little look. Got up to 30. Not bad, is it, really? 94 come through the show so far today. Oh, look at this. Wow. All these videos getting watched. Someone's running the playlist in the background. Very, very clever. Who is that? Someone is running the playlist. Very, 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 very clever idea, by the way. If you want to win our star prize on Friday, right, only a handful of you watched all the videos. Now, you might go, bloody hell, have I got to watch 42 videos? Yeah, but they're only 5 minutes each. But all you've got to do is go on the homepage of the channel, click on this playlist here, Investing on the Stock Markets, right on the top, right, and click play all. And just make sure if it pauses after like 5 minutes, just restart it, because it might do that if you go away from your computer. But just play all, and then you can just go in and like each one and copy and paste star prize to everyone, and you can be on the draw. Only a handful of you watch them all. So just click play all, let the playlist run, and it will help me massively, and it will give you a good chance to win the star prize. You can choose anything you want, the most expensive or the most cheapest item you want from the shop on Friday. There you go. So I want everyone to do that. At the end of today's show, click that playlist and let it run down. Which platform do you recommend? Which platform? I use Robinhood. I love Robinhood. I think Robinhood is fantastic. I can't wait to give it to people in the UK. It's phenomenal. I love the platform, love the way it works. Cheapest way to buy stocks. I can own all my crypto. I can put it on my own wallet. I don't pay any fees. The format's simple. Love it. No, 24-hour day customer service now. It's brilliant. I've got nothing to say. I've got nothing bad to say about it. Japan market has been on fire. Shall we have a little look at the global markets? We'll have a little look. That's a very good point. Thank you for bringing that up. It's a very good point. You make a very good point, says Church. Here we go. Here is the global markets. You can see New Zealand. I've got them all in order. New Zealand opened up 1.88. Then we got Australia 1.15. Nikkei 1.86. Hang Seng not so good. Now, very, very often does its own thing. And then we've got the DAX opening up well. The FTSE's up. Look, and we haven't yet opened up in the US. So all looking quite good. Right, we're down to the last few seconds. I expect a green day today. Let me get rid of the timer. And here we go. Let's bring it in. Where are we going to go? 30 seconds to go. Are you ready for the lightning round? Go through all the stocks and see where we are. 23 seconds to go. Welcome everybody. We're investing in in great companies at great prices. It's what we do. Okay, 2, 1. Here we go. We're down. Oh, that's always does. Don't rely on that. Don't rely on that unless it holds for it. There you go. See, that quick flash doesn't mean anything at all. Always does that. Okay, let's go through. This could be a very interesting day. At the moment, we are down 0.86. Okay, the S&P 500 is coming up. I'm flat on it, and I bought more, so my position is stronger than ever before. Virgin Galactic is up 468 now, looking pretty good. And we move along. Virgin Orbit, until Virgin Orbit goes down to 268, I'm not touching it. My money's better elsewhere. Tesla is down, going down, 1.1, still going down. Rivian, I'm now up 29%. It's up today, a 0.25%, looking very, very good. Lucid is down, not buying any more Lucid at the moment. Arrival is flat, 0.57. I'm actually up on Arrival by 10%. Happy with that. It's only a little bit, nothing really, but I'm happy with it. Amazon, a nice recovery. Look at this. Up 0.6, rising very, very quickly. 0.7, 0.8, 0.8, going nicely. Apple also coming up, started down. I'm up on Apple as well. Down 1.36. Robinhood reports this week. McDonald's is down 0.68. I'm up 12% on it. I'm not buying or selling anything. Happy with that. Coca-Cola is up 1.96. The overall portfolio is looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good right now. We're just about to turn green. We're very, very close to turning green. Let me share with you exactly where we are. Look, right there. Look, we're virtually green right now, just 0.42. Let's carry on going through the stocks. Coca-Cola just down slightly, but very strong now. J&J is down 0.29, but I'm up 3.64. Google, see what I'm saying? Great companies return. Very, very happy. Am I buying more? No, I've got so much Google. I don't need to buy any more. 6% is nothing. We can soon wipe that out. Microsoft also recovering. Meta. Every single thing I've just been saying now. Now we're going to get the crazy people who don't know what they're investing in try and scalp it. It could be pumped at, I know it could be pumped to 105, 106 and dropped. I don't care. They've only got to pivot their expenses on the metaverse and it'll fly up. I'm not worried at all. I'm not worried. My 18% loss could be wiped out very, very quickly. I'm not worried. SoFi up today. IonQ is up 1.58. PayPal, I'm out of the stock. Rolls-Royce, 92. I'm out of the stock. I'm not in it. People think Meta will come back. Of course it will. Yeah, Eurozone inflation hits record high, 10.7 as growth slows sharply. I don't see it. Of course it will. Yet we have explained. This is where you were away. We talked all about it. The metaverse might be junked. I totally get it. No, but they can pivot. They're making the money. They're growing their customers every month. Month on, month out, more people are watching Facebook. They could stop doing the metaverse tomorrow, start spending on it, and they could rally right back up again. I'm not worried at all about Meta. Do I like Meta? No. Do I like the metaverse? No. Am I holding the stock? Yes. Target, down 1.19. The overall portfolio has dropped a little bit. Where's the losses coming from? Let's have a quick look. Is it Meta being scalped? Let's have a quick look. McDonald's going down. Yeah, a few of these things are selling off first. They'll come back in a minute. I've got no doubt about it. Microsoft, Meta. Yeah, there you go. Exactly what I said. People just trying to scalp it. Well, carry on. Do what you want. Meta is the next .com. Oh, I don't see that at all. Rolls-Royce, Walmart. Target is down 1.19. Tesco's just flat, really. Canute, I'm not really bothered about that one. Let's go back to our main position there. That's okay. What about Tilray Brands? I'm up 4.86. Good news is around the corner. It's coming. Ginkgo Bioworks, not much to say. Enphase Energy, let's go back to the day position. Down 0.87 and it's just dropping a bit. Bitcoin SV is up 0.11 and Bitcoin's up 0.48 and Ethereum coming up is 1.86. It's true, Church. Eurozone is in crisis at the moment. It is. We all know that. The overall portfolio is down 1.55 up to now 1.17. We're okay. Good start to the day. Happy. My portfolio's at 38,000. When I left you before the holiday, we were down to 29, 30. So I'm okay. I bought a lot more. The S&P 500 is just trying to push up. Virgin Galactic, earnings this week. This war has to stop. Oh my gosh, if only the war would stop. If only the war would stop, we'd get a momentous rally. And thing is, for me, that's what I'm investing in, because eventually that will happen. It's just obvious. Rivian, I'm now at my all-time high. I'm up 30% on Rivian. Great. I'm not buying any more. I don't need to buy any more. This stock could be a $100 stock in 5 years, and I'll be very happy with that. I want to live in a world where I'm comfortable and I'm not stressed. I could sell it at 30% up if I wanted to. Wow, that really is going. Lucid. Arrival. That's why American markets are down. Well, only slightly. My portfolio is down 0.82. Give it a while. Look. Give it another 5-10 minutes. I'll be up. I'm sure today will be a green day. Look at this. How many have I got joining me? Yeah, everyone's joining me. 94% are joining me for the earnings for Virgin Galactic. Okay, let's do a poll. You ready? Do a poll. Red or green day? Okay, so red, green. There you go. Ask the community. I've asked them. I don't know why I read the things out to you, but I always do. What is your initial investment? I started at $5,000. What did you start with? $5,000. $5,000. Thanks for all the follows, by the way. If anyone becomes a subscriber during today's show, you get a special treat. I'll make you a commercial for your video. Put your channel on this video and record a video and promote your channel. I do it for all of my subscribers. I make exclusive content for you. I'm here to help you. If you want to be in our cash prize giveaway, our free prize giveaway, we do a free cash prize draw and prizes every Friday for free to enter, free for all. Just come onto YouTube. The link's in the profile. Just come out of the main show here and you'll find my all links button, or the YouTube link, whichever way you'd like to do it. Just come and click on here and come into YouTube, and you can be part of it. Now, what I would like you to do is when you come into the live chat on YouTube, this is what you're watching, by the way, this is the YouTube broadcast, you will come into the live chat and say, I'm from TikTok, and you'll get an amazing welcome, and we'll put you in our free prize draw. It's free to enter, free for all. And right now, we only have a half a dozen people in on Friday's giveaway. Incredible prize on Friday. All right. Did you buy more Amazon, Martin? Let me have a look. Scroll down. I got it wrong earlier. I want to make sure. Yes, I did. Lots. Why would you not? Look, October 27 bought 5. October 27 bought 6. 27 I bought 3. So that's 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8. I bought 18 shares. I bought 18 shares of Amazon in the last few days of October. Of course I did. You're gonna write off Amazon? Really? I'm not. I use it for everything. I'm single-handedly propping up Amazon. I buy everything on Amazon. Absolutely right. Thanks for the follow, Marathon. Christian, thank you. Lighthouse, welcome to all of you. We're live on YouTube. We're trading and investing in great companies at great prices. Did you get your Rio Tinto dividend? Yes, Bill, I did. It went into my cash. Right. Green at 60%. I'm green 100%. I'll tell you that. I'm down 0.07. Give it a second. 0.13. So the S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic earnings coming up. Very, very exciting on Thursday. You're all going to be with me. Virgin Orbit, not doing anything with it. Tesla, about to turn green. Oh, you're going to watch it live right now. Here we go. Let's have a little look. 0.12. Come on. Go green. Now then, coming up in today's show, what we're all about more than anything else is the family. You all know that. You all know that more than anything else. And while we were away, we missed Bill's birthday. It's only a week or so ago, so we're going to do it. We're going to go back to the back of the studio and we're going to sing happy birthday to Bill. All right? That's coming up shortly. And I want everyone to light up the chat. You know what we do there. And we're going to go crazy with Bill's birthday. When is Orbit's flight taking off again? It's going the first week of November. What I was told when I was there, if I get any more information, I'll bring it to you. But I don't like the way it trades. Does anyone like the way this trades? I don't at all. It's why I took my profit. And my money's working elsewhere. I prefer Virgin Galactic, I think. When is Orbit's taking off again? Lockheed has been doing great recently. Well, we know why. I took my profit out of Lockheed. I'm no longer in it. I don't care who's right and who is wrong. I just want them to stop fighting. I agree, Ale. We all agree with you. We just want them to stop fighting. I agree. Let's have a little look at what's going on now. Coke is returning. McDonald's is still going down. I'm not worried about that. Robinhood. We've got the earnings this week. Johnson & Johnson. Google. My all-time low price, what was it? 92. No, it's not cheap enough for me. It's not cheap enough to buy any more. Meta. Oh, 97 now. Here we go. Now, my lowest, I'm not going to buy any more. My lowest was 96. I bought 2 at 96. Two at 96. IonQ. When is nobody's interested in Orbit low trading volume? Yes, exactly. Exactly. It's why I'm out of it right now. But I don't know why. They've secured a lot of contracts. When I was there, I got to talk to a few people, and they've secured a lot of contracts. The company looks good. Thank you, Martin. I really appreciate it. What do you appreciate? Hey, it's great to see you here. Tilray. Let's have a look at Tilray. Let's bring it up. Tilray Brands up 3.44. I'm up 9%. Very, very nice. This is why a diverse portfolio is important. So this is making a big difference to my portfolio today. It's compensating my meta losses. I'm up at nearly 9%. I'm holding my 1,000 shares of Vorb. Hope they'll do well. Congratulations to you. Look at that. Tilray, yeah, just the type of market we're in. Now, let me go open. If anybody wants to call in, I'm going to open up the broadcast lounge in Discord. There it is. It's open. If anybody wants to call in and have your say, the broadcast lounge is here. It's at the bottom of Discord. And if you are a YouTube member, you can see that. Not just a Discord member, a YouTube member. Dave Mottram is in the house. Dave Mottram. Yes, you can call in if you want to have your say. Video or just audio call, whatever you like a phone call. Dave Mottram, how are you, mate? How are you? We all missed you in Cornwall. We had a great party. It was lovely. And the people that came to Cornwall want to do it again next year. But now next year we're looking at either New York at the New York Stock Exchange or Virgin Galactic in New Mexico. Let me end the poll. In fact, because let's have a little vote. So here we go. Start a poll. Day Trader Party 2023. New Mexico. Hang on, I put down here location. SPCE New Mexico. Whoops. Mexico or New York. My gosh, what's wrong with me here? New York Stock Exchange. There you go. SPCE New Mexico or New York Stock Exchange. Do you know what? I'm going to add a third option. I'm going to have an Austin, Texas, Tesla. There you go. There you go. Where are we going to have the party next year? Tom, our DJ, already wants to come over and DJ for it. Can you believe it? He wants to fly over from England with his DJ equipment and do it for us in America. That's next year. All right. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, don't forget to smash the like button. There's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. And subscribe and ring the bell if you are new to our channel. If you're over there on TikTok watching... Oh, thank you, Leah. Cup of coffee from Leah, Mike. Lovely. Lovely stuff. There's my coffee. Surely Financial's the most reliable upside in the next 2 years to benefit from the interest rate. Absolutely, banks are going to do great. I'm just not really a fan of investing in banks. I don't feel they do anything innovative and new, and it's not really. It doesn't get me excited in the morning investing in a bank. I have to be honest. So, and I don't see banks in the future either. I think like SoFi will replace banks. Anyway. Dave, glad to see you. How are you? New York Stock Exchange, New Mexico would be better. Weather is better. Let's have a little look. We've got New Mexico 38%, Austin, Texas 12%, New York Stock Exchange 50%. There you go. Let's see what votes we get. Right now we are dumping. The overall stock is coming down. Let's see where our losses are coming from and what we can do to make some gains. All right, and all of that will come up in the next 10 seconds, straight after a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we are back, and let's have a quick look and see where we've lost our drops this morning. 118 people have come through the show this morning. Absolutely wonderful. 5136. We're still at 5136 subscribers. Let's have a little check and see where we've made our losses this morning. The S&P, of course, Meta's a big part of that. Virgin Galactic is just taking a small drop. Virgin Orbit 304. We have the flight this week. It's looking good. I've only got one share in it at the moment. Tesla is dropping. Rivian is down 0.26. Lucid is down 1.25. Arrival. Amazon back down again. Apple. Here we go. It's returning now. Robinhood. We've got the earnings coming up. McDonald's dropping off. Coca-Cola. These are still big profits in these though for me. J&J is down very slightly today, but I'm still up nearly 4%. Google 94. It's not gone low enough for me to buy any more, but here's the big story of the day, I'm sure. Microsoft, beg your pardon, Meta. There you go, 96. Now then, for me, this analyst with 90% accuracy rate cuts PT on Meta platforms. Here are 5 stock picks for the last week from Benziga's most accurate analyst. Still a good buy though. 96. Oh, this is my lowest price now. Meta is hurting. Yes, it is. That's why I think it'll be bought up. I do. I really do. I've got no doubt about. I've got no issues with this. $96. 96.63. There you go. I could buy another one. 96. Just bought another one. 96.44. Bit lower again. And keep our eye on that. CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines, absolutely. Members can have a. I can check on the stock for you. Let me just open up Carnival Cruise Lines for Church. I definitely wouldn't buy that. But that's only because I've worked there and I know what goes on. And I don't see it doing very well in the future. But, you know, we'll see. CCL. Let's have a little look. CCL, Carnival Cruise Lines. Now, remember, CCL is Carnival Cruise Lines. It's not just Carnival. All right? Carnival, CCL own half a dozen cruise lines under the CCL banner. Just be aware of that. So you're buying the overall market, really. Let's have a little look. It's been lower than this. Have we got any news around it? Let's have a look. Nothing there showing yet. Let's take a look over the year, in fact, and see how it looks. So we've started to have a little uptick in the last since October 10th. So it's risen nicely. Honestly, I wouldn't. For me, it's not of interest. But there's Carnival. It's going down right now. We are down 2% right now. We are a big drop. THG. Let's have a look at that one as well. THG. Hanover Insurance. Is a holding company that engages in the provision of property and casualty products and services. Operates through the following segments: commercial lines, personal lines, and others. It's bouncing up at the moment. Thanks. Good news for me. Yeah, good news for you. Playing the stock to go down playing the stocks to go down next week. Yeah. That's not the right one. Not the right one. You said THG. THG. That's what I've got. You need to give me something else then, and I'll come back to it for you. The S&P is falling down. Yeah, Meta is hurting the 96.23. Remember, they can turn this around in a heartbeat. I think we're going to get a rebound in a minute. Just sense it. I don't know what everybody else feels, but I just got a good belief that we're going to rebound in a minute. Nobody takes these lines anymore. It's a UK stock, or maybe it's not available. TXG, it's not available on Robinhood then. Airlines are better investments. I agree with that. Check ULCC, Martin. You will thank me later. Okay. There we go. I think we're just starting to tick up now. Let's have a little look. Meta. At some point, you realise, right? At some point, everyone's going to jump on this. This is the best value. This is the best value pound for pound deal you can buy on the stock market right now, in my opinion. Look at the PE earning. Look at that price to earnings ratio, 9.45. That is the cheapest pound for pound deal you're going to get. If you think Meta could turn it around and stop spending on the metaverse and this will pick up, you're going to buy the best deal ever. Or do you think it's going to go zero? ULCC, this is for Church. ULCC. Let's have a look. ULCC. Frontier Group. Check their earnings and movements last week's great airline making money. There we go, making money. Let's have a look. It's a strong buy. 83% of analysts say buy it. The earnings exceeded expectations. That's good. Estimated 0.11 and actually achieved 0.15. That's very, very good. We like that. Very, very good indeed. I don't have a place for it in my portfolio right now, though. Church. I'm still recovering from my Ford. He always worries about that. He says, oh, yeah, the Ford thing. The Ford thing. Shall we do the Ford thing right now? Shall we do it? Shall we do the Ford thing right now? Where am I with my Ford investment? I know where I am. I don't need to look. It's only a very small amount, if you remember. I'm down 8.67, but it's okay. We're okay. Oh, yeah, Ford. Yeah, I remember. Don't worry. I remember. Now you got me started. Yeah, I know. Yeah, started and finished. Max 8, Meta will never go to zero because of the growing social media users. It will just go down with TikTok. It will just go down with TikTok. It will just, you mean rise? Yeah, Max 8, I totally agree. It's why I'm not selling. I've been adding. I totally agree. It will go down. It will rise with TikTok. I think that's what you meant, isn't it? I agree. I absolutely agree. All of a sudden, this will pick up. I'm not worried. They've got the customers. They've got more customers than anyone. TikTok is more used. Yeah, but it's different, isn't it? TikTok, what is TikTok? I use TikTok. I'm on TikTok right now. People are watching me on TikTok right now. It's just videos. But if you want to post to your family, your social media, when I came back from England, I posted some pictures and all my friends. That's not on TikTok. That's Facebook. That's Meta. So, there isn't a competition for Facebook. And it's got like 2.9 billion customers. It makes a lot of money. All it's got to do is start spending on the metaverse and boom, this is $300 a share. It's up to you. I think it's worth buying at these prices. I do. I'm 100%. 100%. Everybody hates Mark Zuckerberg, but he invented Facebook. Now he's an idiot. I don't even like Facebook. I don't even like Meta. I can't ever see myself using Meta, but I know the company is a good company. Meta is the new gimmick. Yeah, it's a new gimmick, and it will come and go. It won't bring down Meta. I don't think so anyway. 2.9 million customers. Remember, if their customers were leaving and no one was using Facebook, I would be in agreement. I would be in agreement. And this is from someone who doesn't like Facebook, right? But 2.9 billion customers do, and it's growing and it's growing, and the reels are growing. I can't see how you can write it off, but it's not MySpace. This is not a MySpace story. I don't think so. I think this is Facebook users are down, actually. I'm not sure that's right. I read the earnings report, and I read that the users month on month were up. Mark Zuckerberg steals people's ideas. Hang on a minute. Everyone does that. Everyone does that, church. Everyone. Do you not think TikTok are watching what YouTube are doing and YouTube watching? Everyone does. And you can see similar things. Once one platform does it, others do it. So I don't know. TikTok has higher user percentages. People are tired of censorship. Yeah. People moan about all sorts of things. And I know, I'm an Englishman. I moan about everything. Everybody moans, but people still use it. If I want to post pictures and say, hey, I had a nice time on my holiday, or I want to, share with all my friends, I use Facebook. I do. And everybody, and so does everybody else. If I want to watch videos, I go on YouTube. I search for it. If I just want to, while sat on the toilet, scroll through rubbish, that's TikTok. They've all got a place. They're all different. They all serve different needs. There are people now on TikTok sat on the toilet watching me live on YouTube. I'm live on TikTok. How many people on TikTok right now are sat on the toilet? If you're sat on the toilet right now on TikTok, let me know in the chat. Anyway, I just don't believe that this stock is going to keep going down. I'm sorry, I don't. $96.05. 96. There you go. Just bought another one. 96.02. There you go. I just bought another one. Just keep buying less. I won't pay any. I'll never pay any more. There you go. Facebook has access to a lot of data which can be seen as a resource. Snap, Twitter, Meta, all rubbish. Snapchat, rubbish. I agree with you. Snapchat, rubbish. Twitter, it's not even a public company anymore. You can't invest in Twitter. All right? Meta, all rubbish. Roblox for the wine and Rumble. Roblox for the win. And Rumble. Well, I don't know. All I know is I'm interested in buying great companies. You can't say Facebook's not a great company. You cannot stand here and say to me that Facebook, forget Meta a minute. Meta is one issue. One issue. They could stop spending on it tomorrow. You can't tell me, you might not like Facebook, but if you invented Facebook tomorrow and you had 2.9 billion customers and you earned billions of dollars, would you expect everyone to say you're an idiot and you're rubbish? No, of course you wouldn't. Facebook is not a rubbish company. Absolutely not. You might not like it. You might not want to use it. But Facebook is not a rubbish company. If anybody wanted to own Facebook today, which is exactly what we are doing by buying shares, if you're buying prices, yeah, you're all over the place. If you're buying companies, you're with me. I think it's a bargain. And at the end of the day, what you should be looking at is price per earnings ratio. That tells you everything you need to know. That tells you that we have got a 95. It's like saying this. Look, let me put it this way, right? If your favorite pair of jeans are Levi 501s and you buy them for $50 a pair, and you've always bought them for $50 a pair, and someone says to you right now, one day you can buy your favorite Levi jeans 501s for 95% discount, but somebody whispered in your ear and said, yeah, but if you hang around, you can buy it for 96% discount. Would you buy it 95% discount and go, I'm okay with that? Or would you not? I'm sorry, I even though I don't like Facebook, I am here to do one thing and one thing only, other than to support the family and here for all the fun of that. I'm here to buy great companies that make money, that have customers, that are innovative, and will be worth more in the future. That's it. That's all I am. That's all it is. And right now, Meta is on sale. And all of a sudden, Mark Zuckerberg will come online and go, the metaverse is doing very, very well, and we're going to spend half the amount of money next month on it. We're doing all right. We don't need to spend any more money on it. We're okay. And boom, up goes the stock, and everybody will chase it. I won't chase it. I'll go, this is good. And my 19% loss will fall in 5 minutes. And remember, I was 20% lost when I started this morning, and I'm 20% now down, and we're down 3% today, so I should be 23%. And the reason why I'm only down 20% is because I've just bought 3 more at that lower price. And I'll do it again in a minute. If it goes to 95, 94, 93, I'll buy another. That's the kind, he will step down and leave the company to rot. That's the kind of coward Mark Zuckerberg is. See, all this stuff, I don't invest in all this stuff. I agree with Church, Rumble is going to grow massively. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I'm obviously I'm a YouTuber, right? So I am biased, I guess, but I do believe that YouTube and Google have got the business, and Meta will be MySpace in 20 years, nowhere near my IRA for a retirement. Meta will be MySpace in 20 years, nowhere near my IRA for retirement. Okay? He will step down and leave the company to rot. That's the kind of coward Mark Zuckerberg is. I don't know. Do you know him personally? I don't know. People forgot Mark Zuckerberg was on MySpace board. Well, is that a good or bad thing? I don't know. I've been on lots of boards. Doesn't make me responsible for anything. Anyway. Goggles price. Someone called Daft 900 on TikTok has said goggles price. What's that? Can you list a good company to buy a stock in? Can you list a good company to buy in stock? Westlove007, well, like I've just said, Meta Platforms is factually, monetarily, mathematically the best deal going right now. You know, it's a popularity contest right now. He ruins everything. Instagram was better before he bought it. Oh, man. Google's a good deal as well. If it goes lower, I'll buy some more. Now, we had a 50-50 whether it be red or green day. It's most certainly red at the moment, but I want to point out, and we should be red today. Sorry, we should be green. I want to point out that this is the global markets right now opening up in time. So Australia opened first. They're at 1.88. Now Google, different story. Buy. I am buying. Australia are up. Nikkei up. The Hang Seng always a little bit dubious. The DAX is up. The FTSE's up. So I think... and looking at them, if you look at them, they all rise. They're rising throughout the day. I think the Dow and the Nasdaq is up, and the New York and the SPY. I think these will all rise. SPY has been brought down, we know, by the FANGs or the MANGs now. That's the problem right now that we've got. We've got that right now. So I just see it as an opportunity. You know, we all wanted to buy stocks when 10 years ago. Well, some stocks like Meta you can buy 10 years ago, literally. Right, is Bill still with us? Because it was Bill's birthday last week and we missed it, so we got to celebrate it. So is Bill still with us? Because we're going to do Bill's happy birthday song in a minute. No one gets left out. Let me have quick look. We've got 29 with us live right now. Cool. I think Bill's fallen asleep. He does that a lot these days. But right back in 10 seconds. If Bill comes back, we'll do Bill's song. Mark Zuckerberg steals people's ideas. Oh, that's a comment from earlier on. Okay. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. How many people came through the show? 133. Very, very good. Lucid. So what we're getting now is a general downturn. Yeah, celebrate Bill. Yeah, but he's not here. He's fallen asleep. Amazon. 101. Now then, what was my lowest price? I bought it for 89. 89. Yeah, long way off. Please come back, Bill. Someone needs to wake him up. Long way to go. Apple. My lowest price there. I haven't bought Apple. In fact, I haven't bought Apple for... Oh, he's here. He's here. All right. Bill, where are you? Okay, well, this would be a good time to celebrate Bill's birthday. So, we'll celebrate Bill's birthday right now. Watching Meta, 96. Was napping, wife hit me. Brilliant. 95, 83, here we go. 1. $95.78. There you go. See, my average is staying at 20%, even though we're down 3.5% now. So I've gained 3.5% today. I'm buying these as they average down at 120 now. One share at 95. Getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. Santa has to sleep. He's about to be busy soon. Yeah, that's right. Right, Bill, are you ready? Bill, we're going to celebrate your birthday for you, mate. So you know what we're going to do, right? We're going to go over to the little screen here, the live chat screen. All right. Right, there we go. And get ready. I'm going to bring it up now. We're going to do Bill's birthday. So everybody on TikTok, you can watch it on this screen over here. We're going to celebrate one of our friends' birthdays. Here he is. So there we go. So we're going to go over to... I tell you what, it's not that easy trying to remember all the buttons. Even though I practiced yesterday, it's like, bloody hell. I can't remember. There we go. I think that's about right. Okay, we're good. All right, let's see if I can get this bit right. Let's go and do Bill's birthday. Ready? I want all the happy birthdays in the chat to roll through. Happy birthday, happy birthday. You know how we do it, don't you? All right, let's go and do it. You can watch it on the screen. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. You turn that around. Okay. Right, we're in the hot seat. It's happy birthday for Bill. So we got to bring up the happy birthday. Okay, here we go. So we'll bring up this one. That'll do. Okay, ready? Happy birthday for Bill. And I want to see all the happy birthdays coming up in the chat. You ready? That's what we want to see. Okay, let's do it. Happy birthday to Bill. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bill. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday. No, 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 to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bill. Happy birthday to you. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, no, 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 to you. Happy birthday, Bill. Happy birthday to you. Well, sorry, Bill, that we missed your birthday, but we're here for you now, all right? Happy birthday, Bill. And don't forget, all members, we can celebrate your birthday. Absolutely, it's what we do. Should we do it one more time? Because it was late, right? Let's do it one more time. Hang on. I am so rusty. It's unbelievable how rusty I am. So I'm going to get it right this time. No, not this time. Not this time. Where's my production screen gone? I can't get me buttons back. Where's me buttons back? I can't find it. Can't find the right screen. Where's it gone? No one told me where it gone. Number two. That one there. That's it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, oh Bill, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bill. I can't believe I made such a mess of it. Anyway, fantastic. Let me get back to the main trading screen and let's have a little look. Meta still going down. And thank you, Bill. Happy birthday, Bill. Don't forget you can clip that and save that for all your family. I can't believe I completely messed that up. Anyway, it's hard, you know. Even though I practiced all this yesterday, there's nothing better than actually just doing it, jumping off a cliff and going for it. Anyway, let me clear away all the screens. And blimey. Right, let's change it. There are so many buttons to press. You wouldn't believe it. All right. Okay. Now we're back. Turn that back round again. Can you see? Is that good? Got to get it right for TikTok, look. Hang on. I just heard Leah sneeze from the other room. Okay. I think we're good now. Is that all good? That's all working. Right, we're back. Big thumbs up and thank you, Martin. You are very, very welcome, Bill. My absolute pleasure. Everybody seemed to enjoy it. All right. My overall portfolio is coming up. Bless you, Leah. Yeah. Yeah. Did you hear her? I don't think you would have heard her, though. Baba is below cash value. I wouldn't buy Baba, by the way. Who was it I said the other day you could buy their company for the cash they hold? Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic. You can now buy Virgin Galactic for the cash they actually hold. Incredible, right? Another great bargain. So, let's have a quick look. Let's get back to it. That was enjoyable. Kind of very dazzled me. Not sure where I was going, but I managed to pull it off, I think. Hang on, let me fix that. There you go. Slight adjustment for TikTok. Okay, let's get back. Look at our overall position. It's starting to rise now. The S&P is coming up. Ford. Hey, Churchy. The Virgin Galactic, looking good. Yeah, you can buy Virgin Galactic now for the amount of money. If you divide the amount of shares, or at least you could last week, the amount of shares divided by the prices, times by the prices, you can buy the cash that they hold in the book. So basically, you're buying a business for free. You're just buying the cash they hold. So that's why I think now is a great value for the stock. It's why I've been buying more. And I'll continue to do so. Virgin Orbit, nothing going on. Tesla, starting to come back up after it's dropped. Rivian is still going up. Lucid's looking good. Arrival looking good. That's my little lottery ticket. It was the 19th of October, Paddy. Amazon trying to come back up. Apple still falling. I'm not going to buy any more. Robinhood going up. McDonald's coming back up. Great companies here. Coca-Cola, J&J all returning. Google Never got cheap enough for me. My lowest was, I think, yes, 92. Yep, not cheap enough yet. And Microsoft, 95.33. But the earnings of Virgin Galactic might not be good. I'll buy more after when it's cheap. Okay. We are going to cover the Virgin Galactic earnings on Thursday in the after hours. We did a poll earlier. Everyone's going to join us. So let's have a little look. Let me have a look now. The Day Trader Party 2023 location, New Mexico. Not many people want to go to see Tesla. All right. So it looks between SPCE and very close, really. 38% say New Mexico, 50% say New York Stock Exchange. Interesting. Anyway. Meta Platforms is now coming up again, 95. SoFi, IonQ, PayPal, I'm not in it. Rolls-Royce, Walmart, 16% up now, returning again. Tesco's looking good. Excited about the dividends next month. 50 bucks. Canoe on. Tilray 1.94. End phase down a little bit. BSV. BSV fell off a cliff, but it's starting to return again. Bitcoin the same. And of course, there's our Ethereum. There we go. Let me have a little look on here. That's all good. Okay. But the earnings on Virgin Galactic might not be good, so I'll buy more after when it's cheap, says Max. Thanks, Martin. You're very welcome. All right. Let's have a little look where we are right now. We're coming up to the end of today's show. Back in Twitch. Oh, let me have a look. How many are over with me on Twitch right now? We've got 5 subscribers. Now then, if you are on YouTube or TikTok or Twitter or Facebook or wherever you might be watching me today, if you go on to Twitch and use your Amazon Prime, it's free. Now, you do need to update it every month. Every month, your subscription ends, unless you've set it to repeat every month. And you need to do that because if you subscribe to me for free using your Amazon Prime, it's completely free, then you can be in a free prize draw. And we're doing it this Friday. We give away some cash. Now, we've only got 5 subscribers now. People have let their subscriptions lapse. So if you want to go and join me on Twitch, it's completely free. Please do. For us, every location is good. There you go. So there you go. Ali and Patricia from Italy, they're going to go wherever. New York Stock Exchange, New Mexico, they're not bothered. They're going to be there. It's amazing, right? Amazing. Anyway. Ford's doing well today. Our opportunities now, we're already done with all these other stocks. Microsoft is dropping. Meta, 94. 94, 97. Another go. Oof, this is going to hit a point. Step through scooter. At what point is this going to return? Because it is. I do think so. 70% of analysts say it's strong buy. No one's saying sell. 1.9%. You wouldn't sell it now, would you? That'd be crazy. 95.78. Oh, it's $1 cheaper again. 94.76. Should I buy another one? Yeah, back down to 20% again. Average now 119. Average is dramatically coming down now. See, I started the day down 20%. I'm down 20% still, even though it's fallen 4%. I should be down 24%. I'm down 20%. Just keep nibbling away. You're basically paying for the cash now. 9.45 at price earnings. Look at that. Best value stock you can buy right now. There's no way that Meta's going anywhere. Keep chasing that knife. I won't pay any more. Won't pay any more. Now I've set a new limit. I've set a limit now of 94.79. I won't pay 95, 96, 97. Nope. No, only if it's cheaper, because it makes sense. I was happy to buy it at 94.79, so I'll buy it at 93. I'll buy it at 92. Not at the best stock. Not at the best stock at the cheap price. Not at the best stock at a cheap price. You rephrase that again, Church. What do you mean? Logitech and Intel are better buys than this rubbish. I love it. I don't think Church likes it. Get me on your live. You can call in on live. Shave Dead. Is that Shave Hedden? You can be live on the show. Very, very easy. We have people calling in all the time. You can call in on video or just call. How you do it is you click the profile link at the top here. Come out of the main show. You'll see my YouTube link on my profile. You'll also see the all links button, which will take you to my YouTube channel. And that's where we are. This is our YouTube channel right now. And once you come into YouTube, in the chat, say you're from TikTok, and I will give you my Discord link, and you can call in live on the show. You can actually call in video or just on calls and be part of our show. Yes, you can. Everyone can. It's for our YouTube audience. So you're very, very welcome. Just click the profile here, youtube.com/ the little @ Martyn Lucas Investor, the name of this channel. Very, very easy to find me. All right, let's go back to our stocks. The S&P is down slightly. We're down 2.8. Ford's doing well. I have 10 shares of Ford. Virgin Galactic 461. Of course, earnings on Thursday, I think it is. Virgin Orbit, Tesla down 2.2. Not buying any more yet. Rivian. No. Lucid. Arrival. Amazon still falling. $100 now. My cheapest price was $89. Not going to pay any more than $89. Apple. Robinhood. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. All these are very strong now. J&J. Google. Microsoft. Now where's Meta? 94.94. 94.94. Roll up, get your Meta. Thank you ever so much for being in today, folks. If you've just tuned in and you're joining me today, please click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. And also, it'd be very nice if you could smash the like button. There's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. Appreciate it very much indeed. So we are going to cover the FOMC report on Thursday. We're going to be live for that. We're also going to be live for Virgin Galactic's earnings. We'll have a look at the Robinhood earnings as well, if anyone's interested in that. Let me end the poll here right now. Meta trying to come back up again. Watching it very, very closely. How many people came through the show today? 143. So, for those of you that are watching on TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook and YouTube, we have a star prize on Friday. We're going to give away any item you want from my merchandise store, completely free. I'll post it to you anywhere in the world. You can choose the most expensive or the cheapest item you want. It's entirely up to you. And if you'd like that, all you've got to do is watch the playlist that I created when I was away. Now then, what you can do is go on the homepage of the channel after this show. Here is the playlist right on the top of the of the channel right there. Look, you can see it. All you got to do is click play all. There, look, see it, and just let the playlist run. Now, it might pause after 10-15 minutes because, you know, whatever, it does that. Just click carry on. You haven't got to sit and watch it. All right, you know, some of you not watch them all, and that's why you're not being included. All you've got to do is let it play all. Let the playlist run through. Leave the comment and the like, but just let the playlist run through. You can walk away from your computer. Come back later on if you want and copy and paste all the star prize into the comments. Just let it run through, and then you'll be in the draw for Friday. Only a handful of people have watched them all the way through. And that's the way to do it. Just click the playlist and let it run all the way through. That's what you want to do. Jason Newman, welcome back. It's a joy for us, Martyn. It's an absolute pleasure to have you here. It really is. It really is. Paddy and Ayo were with us over there in Cornwall, England for the party. They came, had a good time. It was a lot of fun. Meeting you both. Thank you very much. Jason Newman's here. Welcome back. Jason, lovely to have you here. Same for you. You're helping the channel grow and also giving yourself a very, very good chance of winning. Go to the homepage, click the investments for investing on the stock market, click the play all playlist, let it run all the way through, and then you will be in the draw for Friday as well. Right, let's go back. We're down 2.93. I thought we was going to have a green day today, but nevertheless, this could be the sell-off before the final rally with Jerome Powell on Wednesday. We are going to cover that live. Let's have a look. McDonald's is returning. Coke is returning. J&J is returning. Google. Microsoft. Meta now, 94.57. Another new low. I'll wait. Oops, going again. How low is Meta going to go? Let it crash. You don't know how low it's going to go, do we? How low is it going to go? I'm telling you, there's going to be one hell of a bounce back. There is no way a company with 2.9 billion customers that makes money, and all that's bringing it down now is the spending on the metaverse. They can stop that in 5 minutes. They can go, all right, we've done enough now, we'll take a break. And then the stock would rally. I'm telling you, I cannot believe that the platform that everybody uses to communicate with their family and friends around the world is going to go to zero. I can't believe that for a minute. The customers alone, just buying the customers. Do you hold Meta, Martyn? Yes, I do. I've been buying it all the way down through the dip. I'm down 20%. I already had it. I was down like 50%, 60%. And I just kept buying the dips. And every time it drops another couple of bucks, I buy another single share. I started the day down 20%. I'm still down 20%, even though it's dropped another 4.5%, because every time it drops $1, I buy another one. So I keep my average lower and lower. It won't go to zero, but never $200 or more again. Well, it's only got to go to 150. So waste of time. Buy something else. I don't agree. I don't agree, church. You're writing off a company that's it's one of the biggest in the world. I can't see it. I can't see it going down. At some point, people are going to pile into this. At some point, someone like Warren Buffett's going to come along, like he did with Coca-Cola, and go, this is ridiculous. The PE ratio is now 9.45. 9.45. It's like a 95% discount now. You can see it anywhere you want. 94.79. I'm not going to buy any more until it goes to 93. Party and Nuki, memories last forever. It was a wonderful time, wasn't it? I will actually share some of those pictures at some point. In fact, I've shared some of them, haven't I, on different places. But anyway, Rolls Royce. The overall portfolio now is down 3%. Nuki, it's in our heart. It was a wonderful time, 3.3, and it's the S&P 500 which is being dragged down at the moment. Tesla, yeah, everything's being pulled down by Meta at the moment. Amazon as well, hitting that 100 point. Robinhood, McDonald's holding up, Coke's holding up, J&J's holding up, Google's still going down, 94, Microsoft, 94.22, still going down. I'll send you some stuff of 2001. Everyone was optimistic and they all started cutting their throats. Oh, I won't be doing that. Meta is one of those scammy companies, like a lot of them were in the dot-com bubble. I think the world's a different place than it was then. People are the same. People are greedy and selfish and silly stuff like that. Where have you been, mate? I've been on holiday. Charlton, lovely to have you back, Charlton. Come and join us on YouTube. Come out, the main profile links up here. Lovely to have you back with us, Charlton. 94.35. We're still watching it. And we're coming to the end of our show now. Maybe like 15 minutes ago. And we'll be right back after a 10-second commercial break. Here we go. And we are back. Including my drum session with pens. Yeah, Aol played drums for us. It was hilarious, that was. Tom, hopefully Tom will be with us this afternoon. Yeah, it was funny, that was. We had Aol playing the drums on his pens. Was a laugh, wasn't it? 94.36. Still falling. The overall portfolio down 3.25. And remember, what this channel is all about is buying great companies at great prices. Here to support everyone. We're here to support people musically. If anyone has a birthday or a celebration, or they have a memorial they wish to, support the family. We do all those things. We invest and trade live. And right now, we're picking up bargains and discounts all across the board. It's all about survival right now. Waiting for the war in Ukraine to come to an end would be a good thing. How low can Facebook go? We have to repeat with sticks. Ford's doing well today. The S&P is down 0.83, but I've been a lot lower than that. I've been down 6-7% on the S&P. So again, we have to get context to all of this. Everyone gets minute by minute. Let's have a little look. Let's get some context. We're actually up 1.5% on the month. We might even be up on the week. Yes, I thought so. 5.3% on the week. 3 months we're down. No surprise there. But the fact is, we are up considerably where we were. We're taking a hit today, and that's part of it. S&P. If we can just hit the bottom of Meta, then things will really take a turn. And we'll be in a very good position. 94.44. You can see all the little scalp trading going on. That's what the uptick is each time. 94.79. No, it's not cheap enough yet. Well, it is cheap enough at any price now, but I'm just trying to get lower each time. 94.71. Because if we went up now, back to where we were today, I'd be down 16% as opposed to 24. So I've improved my position there. Right, this is the first little decent uptick just happening now. I'm not going to chase it. That would be ridiculous. Let's see if we can get something out of this. Yeah, absolutely hilarious. But don't forget that you and your mum have ruined my drumming reputation. Yes, we have. We've ruined your drumming reputation for a lifetime. You can never go out again and say I'm a drummer. People will go, hang on a minute, weren't you the one playing on with the pens? Yeah, you'll have to admit that. Walmart up 16% right now, very strong. Target up 10% overall, that is. Tesco, Canoe, On, Tilray up 1.79, 1.93. Okay, we're getting our first rebound now on the day. It's quite significant as well. There you go. It's quite a significant rebound. Now, if we go back to Meta, there we go. 95.09. At some point, people are going to go, hang on a minute, and all Mark Zuckerberg has got to do is say, I'm spending less on the metaverse, and up we go. And up we go. Thoughts on the stock Alecta? I'm sorry, I've never heard of it. Can't tell you anything about it. If you come into YouTube and ask my audience, somebody in the chat might know and be able to help you, but I don't know anything about that. I have to be honest. It's not a problem. I forgive you both. Ale says, I forgive you both. Metaverse is a scam. How can it be a scam, Church? Do you want to call in and explain what you mean? How can it be a scam? Everyone uses it every day. I don't believe in the metaverse, if that's what you mean. People are already living in metaverse. Oh, you mean metaverse itself, not Meta the company? Yeah, I agree. I don't think I think the metaverse, but what do I know? I wouldn't use it. I'm not interested in it. But I believe Facebook isn't going to go anywhere. But anyway, people are already living in the meta. Yeah, we probably are. Yeah, we're all in the matrix. We're all in the bloody matrix. Okay, well, I've been drinking excessive amounts of tea and coffee while I've been sitting here, so I need to take a very, very short toilet break? Restroom break is the word I'm looking for. So what I would like right now is, as I disappear for the next 1 to 2 minutes, I would like all of my family, all the members, which is everybody. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. 95% of our viewers, in fact, everyone today, every single person today in the chat is a member. Every single person. In fact, it's 100%. I don't see anybody in the chat that's not a member. I want you all to chat away amongst yourselves. Well, let's take a very, very short break, and then we can do Day Trader of the Day. All right, we'll close the hour with Day Trader of the Day and find out who is up or down the most and see who's winning and losing today. But we're all winning because we're all here together. No matter what happens, we're all in a better position than we were yesterday, right? So we'll leave it on the overall position like that. Watch what happens. I'll be gone for just 1 moment. What screen shall I leave it on? Leave it on that one? Probably best. All right, I'll be back in just 1 to 2 minutes. If you talk amongst yourselves, that'd be great. Don't go far away. I should put some music on. Should I put some piano music on? I'll play everybody some soft music. Here we go. There we go. Some soft music for just 1 to 2 minutes after I take a very, very quick break. Looks like we're starting to get some sort of bounce out of it now. Maybe Meta will return. See you back in just a moment. All right. Thank you very much for sticking with me. And as we can see now, the portfolio is coming up very quickly. What I've been buying this morning is Meta. And it hasn't, in fact, it hasn't really risen at all. Tiny bit. How do I call in? Okay, Daniel Ganage. We have a guest here in the family. So first of all, Daniel, welcome to the Day Trader. You'll see it's much better experience here on YouTube. We broadcast in 4K, big screen, surround sound, all the rest of it. Subscribe, ring the bell. If you want to be part of our family, I'll explain how it all works. We're here live every day, Monday to Friday, 5 days a week. We're here to help people, support people. It's what we do. And let me just refresh that screen a minute. And once you've done all that, subscribed and rung the bell. Oh, I've got a little glitch here. Got a slight little glitch in my system. I've had a break for... Oh, hang on a minute. There we go. It's working now. I had a slight glitch there for a moment. Just bear with me. I've been gone for a month and having a break. And there we go. Everything's a bit stuttery. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go, that's better. So what we do is we have a Discord channel. That's how you call in. And I'll share with you the Discord link. Now, it is reserved for members only. It's not so we don't have idiots call in and silly people and all the rest of it. Here is the Discord link. If you want to go on Discord, but I will tell you now, it is for members only of our channel. It's a members perk, and if you are a member, you get many perks. Not only can you call in, we do polls for you. We do exclusive videos. You can have a fundraiser event. I've raised over $1 million from my members. Prior to this show, the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel, we had the music channel. We still do, and from that onto this, we've raised over $1 million for our members. So you get many, many perks. Plus, we put you on the homepage of our YouTube channel, and we promote your channel. We make videos for you to promote your channel. This is my YouTube channel. Look, you see, these are our members here. Look, we put them on the homepage, and we promote them all and get them more subscribers. So if you want to call in, you can call in through Discord, but I will tell you, it's a members-only perk, and this is how you become a member. I've given you the link to become a member, and then you'll call in here via the broadcast lounge, and you can call in. Let's have a look. What did Church say? Church is a member, and he said, look, I'm going to be a gold member next year, so we can talk. I'll be in the Arlington, Texas next year for a few events. Fantastic. You don't need to be a gold member to call in, of course. You can be a bronze member to call in, but so we can talk. You want the gold membership so we can do the 2 hour Zoom calls a month, help you with your channel, whatever it is you wish to do. Absolutely great. I'll be in Arlington, Texas next year for a few events. Well, hopefully we can meet up, Church. I'm in Dallas. I'd like that very much. Anyway, I've given the membership to you. We also have cash prize giveaways every Friday. Daniel Granage is a guest. Daniel, where are you from? I'm from Dallas, Texas, originally from the United Kingdom. That's where we were all month on our vacation. Daniel, would you please put your city and country in the chat, and all our members will welcome you in. We've got the highest engagement rate on YouTube. More of our live viewers are members than any other channel. 95% of our live viewers. Toronto area. Oh, we've got a few people from Canada. We've got a number of Canada. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in to welcome our guest, Daniel? I'm actually the world piano man. This is my music studio behind me. There's my piano. And during the show, for members, I celebrate birthdays and special events. And we do, if you're a silver member, you get a fundraiser. And as I say, we've raised over $1 million from our members. We're here to help people. This channel, we're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. That's what this is all about. Not the biggest, the best, the most honest, real channel in the world. Right, we're coming up now. I said I'd have a green day. I still believe I will. 94.68. What was the lowest price I paid? 94.79. I'm going to buy another one. 94.64. 94.64. There we go. I bought another one. The overall portfolio is coming up. 94.64. I've just bought another one. My average now 20, even though we're down 4.5%. Happy with that. There we go. He's getting a welcome in. We will be in touch. I'll invite you to a nice event as a thank you for your help and kindness. Oh, Church, you're the best, mate. We got the best families. The biggest honour in the world to be able to do this show. My average now is 119. Keeps on coming down. I love it. Hi, Daniel. Welcome from Italy. And Daniel, you asked about calling in. I know you need to be a member, but it's only a couple of bucks a month. And there are many, many perks. And you ask every one of our members, everyone who watches our show, 95%. Mr. Beast has a 7 to 8% live viewers who are members. We have 95%. Everyone's a member. Ask them why they're members. They'll tell you. And they've been members from the very, very beginning. And no one leaves. It's great. Cash prize giveaway on Friday. If you want to be in on that, you can. What was I going to say? There was something I was going to say then. I forgot what it was. Can't remember what it was now. Anyway, overall portfolio coming up. The S&P is coming up. Ford's doing very nicely today. Very nicely indeed. Virgin Galactic, we've got the earnings. We'll cover that later in the week. FOMC report, we'll cover that as well. Tesla coming up now. Rivian doing very, very nice. Lucid doing great. Arrival, fantastic. It's just a lottery ticket for me. I just have a handful of shares, 161. Amazon trying to come back up again. Apple still going down, but I'm now flat on Apple. I'm fine with that. Robinhood, earnings later on this week. McDonald's has come back up again. Very, very strong now. Coca-Cola, I'm up on it. I'm up on J&J, 3%. Great. Remember, I only started this portfolio a year and a half ago, so we bought at the top of the market, and we've experienced all kinds of trouble. But anyway, my lottery ticket is space. Yeah, my lottery ticket can't be space. I have 2,100 shares. There's no way that would be no. My lottery ticket is arrival. Only buy a handful of lottery tickets. I don't buy 10 grand's worth of lottery tickets. That's not a lottery ticket for me. Awesome stuff. So, that's what I wanted to do. Daniel, are you still here? I wanted to show you what you can do if you call in. So these are some of our callers. Who should we bring in? This is Kurt Wookert, who's been on all the main news networks like Fox, CNN, all of them, and talking about different things, crypto mainly. But this is what you can do. You can call in. This is Discord. This is what we do. You can call in, and I recorded the broadcast, and this is how it looks and sounds if you want to do the same thing.
I'm Kurt Wookert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas.
There you go. There's Bill. Someone just asked me on TikTok, would I buy Meta? I am. If you look on the screen, you're looking at my YouTube broadcast. Here is my Meta position. It comes up in about 10 seconds after I say it because the YouTube is 10 seconds behind. Look, there's my Meta position. I'm down 20% at the moment, and I've been buying it every dollar it goes down. Below $100, I'm buying one. I'm never paying more for it. Once I bought it at this price, I'll never pay more. I'm only buying it at a price lower each time. So I'm just adding to my position. I'm down just 20%. I should be down 25%. But today I've been buying all the way down, and I'm very happy to do so. Meta isn't going anywhere. Just joining. Would you buy Meta at these prices? I am. This is my real money, my real position. Absolutely right. So yeah, that's how it works, Daniel. If you go to Discord, I can welcome you in and so on and so forth. If you want to become a member, ask any of the members why they're members. They get 20 times back what they put in. That's what we're trying to do. Grow the best, most honest, real channel on YouTube, supported by my music as well. So let's go through and have a little look. Microsoft is coming up. Google, looking good. It's not cheap enough. Well, it is cheap, but it's not below my lowest prices for me to buy more. So I'm not. It's a very simple strategy that I have. I just buy great companies at lower and lower prices. That's it. It's just what Warren Buffett does. Buys great companies at the lowest possible price. And if the price goes lower, I'll just buy some more. Simple as that. And once I've set a low, I won't go any higher. I won't chase the stock up, but I will chase it down. And I always talk about what if the fundamentals have changed. Well, the fundamentals haven't changed with Facebook. They've still got their customers. They're growing more customers. They can start spending on the metaverse tomorrow. They can go, we spent enough. I know they've said they're going to increase it next quarter, but they have to listen to the shareholders. They can simply stop doing it. But you know, those of you who are brave enough to say that Mark Zuckerberg is an idiot should remember he invented Facebook and built one of the biggest companies in the world. So what have you done? I don't know if I'd call him an idiot. You might not like him. That's up to you. But I wouldn't say he's an idiot at all. All-time high for me now on Rivian. after the IPO, of course, it went to $180 a share, and I always said it was only worth $30, and I bought it for 26, and I'm holding it, not buying any more. I'm very happy to hold it. Luce is doing great. Arrival, it's my lottery ticket. I only have a handful of shares, 161 at 69 cents. The company could go bankrupt, but I'm happy to hold some. He's not dumb, but he's a scammer, and to be a scammer, you have to be smart. Yeah, you do. I wouldn't even know how to do it. You know, people say they hack into computers. I know they call Facebook address Hacker's Way. They hack into computers and stuff like that. I wouldn't have a clue. I wouldn't have a clue how to do any of those things. So I guess you do have to be smart. But anyway, not suggesting for a moment that Mark Zuckerberg hacks into computers. I'm just making a joke, but you get my point. Apple going sideways, Robinhood. Earnings later on this week, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J moving up, Google moving up, Microsoft moving up, Meta just hovering around this 94 now. My last acquisition, purchase, 94.64. I'm going to wait for it to go lower. This is the church's comment here. He's not dumb, but he is a scammer. And to be a scammer, you have to be smart. I don't know about that. Right, it's now time for Day Trader of the Day. So, when I post my score, now everybody, you know what you need to do. First of all, under the video, to make sure that you don't miss out, same as for all our competitions, right? You need to make sure that you're live. So go onto the main screen. See right here, it says live. See, it's gray. That's because I'm behind. Click the live button. It jumps right up to date. Now I'm live again. So make sure that you've done that. If you've not done that, you'll be behind the show and you won't be in the competition for the cash giveaways, the prize giveaways, or this competition right now. And then what we're going to do is give you 1 minute on the clock. I'm going to post my score. I'm down 2%. If I share with you my overall position, there you go. I'm down 2%, 2.09. And when the first person posts the score, we've got a 1 minute on the clock, 2.03%. And we'll find out who wins and who loses today. But no one loses, do they? Oh, hang on a minute. 1.97. I'm getting better by the second. Flipping heck. Right. When the first person posts, I shall... Here we go. Mike's away. Can't post in Discord. How do I hop on for a couple of minutes? Wanted to chat about Meta for a second. I'll explain it again, Dan. You can. It takes 10 minutes to get through our security because we don't have idiots and scammers come in to Discord. So you have to verify your account. You have to verify your email. And it takes 10 minutes. And I will explain it all again in a second. Okay, here we go. 1 minute. Mike is down 0.65. Mike goes into the lead. Down 1.14. Which means Mike is still the winner. Down 0.8. Ian Jackson. I waited the 10 minutes. I'll come back to you. It looks like Mike is the winner. 0.65. Oh, Shad is here. Talking about Facebook all day. Here he is. He's the king of Facebook. What do you think about all this? Down 0.24. You've been very quiet in the background. You're one of our members. Up. Oh, we have a winner. One of our non-members is up. I didn't even know Shad was here. Right. Up 0.75. Fantastic. I like to lurk. I like to lurk. There we go. Down 0.33. Same as Dave Mottram. We've got all these lurkers. I like to lurk. So it looks like the winner is Max H, who is not a member right now. Hope we can get him to become a member, get all the perks and benefits. 95% of our viewers are members, and you'll get all the perks like your birthday, a 20-minute concert, a fundraiser event, whatever it is you want. Exclusive content, exclusive videos, cash prize giveaways, you name it. I hope you can become a member. Anyway, so there is our winner. So let's our first winner of the month since I've been gone away. So here we go. Let's have a big. Hang on. What do I do first? What do I do first? It's thank you. There you go. Give him a big thumbs up. And then give him the sound effects. There you go. I couldn't remember what to do. Crag is up 2%. You're too late. You're too late, Crag. Crag's up 2%. But you have to be on time. You can't just pop in here, when you like. You gotta be on time, Crag. You gotta press that live button. I did tell you, pay attention. Press the live button. You would have won that one, but never mind. Another time. Right, now then. Yeah, ha ha ha. Indeed. Let me get rid of that a second. There we go. Can I delete that? There we go, that's got it. Right, where was I? Got to be quick here. Yes, got to be quick. So then, Daniel was asking, how do I call in? Right. Well, let me bring up Discord for you, and I can see where you are on Discord. This is Discord, and I'll see where you are and explain it again for you. So if I go into this is Discord right now. If you've gone through everything like I said, you would have come in the welcome all. And if you come in the welcome all, you should be here. I don't see you've actually come into our Discord. All right. So Daniel, I don't see you here. If you'd come through our, it is Daniel, isn't it? Yeah, Daniel. If you'd come through, you would be here. I would have a welcome all message from you, and I don't have anything. So I'm going to give you the Discord again. Do you see Daniel G? Well, I'm going to give you the Discord again. I don't see you on our platform. Let me give you that again. You should have come through there, and you haven't. Daniel G. Can I see? No, you're not. You're not in our platform at the moment. No. No, can't see you. I don't think you've come through yet. You've not verified everything yet and done all the things you need to do. I'm going to go and search for your membership as well. Let's have a look. DANI. Daniel G. Daniel G 510. Is that you? Oops, a daisy. On the right. Yep, that's you. Daniel G. Oh, I see. There you are. Right, there you are. Okay. Now then, to call in, you see all these channels down here, the Martyn Lucas Investor channels. These are all the public channels. You can see all the public channels, but you can't see these channels because you're not a YouTube member. They are reserved for YouTube members. That's why I gave you the membership link. We don't have anyone just calling us in because we could have idiots, scammers, and all sorts of people calling in. So it's one of the perks as members. So here is the, there you go. I can see you there. I can see you on the chat right now. Here is the YouTube member. You need to be a YouTube member because you won't see, there you are. You won't see any of these channels until I make you a member. So what I do is I click on you like this, and I give you a role. Okay? I give you a role. Where's that? Oh, yeah, role. There you go. See? And I make you a YouTube member. Once I click that, you can call in and you can do all the good stuff. But it is reserved for YouTube members. So you can be on our channel, be on our server, but you can't call in or talk to me or have all the exclusive content. It's part of the benefits of being a member. All right. So I've given you an invitation to join. If you wish to do so, it's a couple of bucks a month, but you get many, many perks and benefits. And then we'd love to hear from you, and you'll get 20 times back what you put in. Ask any of our members. Nitz Farrells, here I am. Here he is. How are you, Nitz? Your membership has expired. You got to sort that out. How are you? What's going on there? And welcome back, Nitz. Lovely to have you here. Welcome back. Nitz is here. Lovely to see you. You should have been margin weeks ago. Arnold the Palmer. Yeah, I'm still growing. We're still growing. You can't bring a good man down, right? You can't bring a good man down. As you can see, you're up to 37,993. When I left you, I was at 29, 30,000. So yeah. Very simple strategy. Buy great companies at all-time low prices and keep doing it. Keep doing it. I'm not going to pay, but you're missing out. I just graduated computer science and have different takes on stocks. Not going to pay. Oh, fair enough then. That's fair enough. Well, we're happy to miss out, Daniel. It's okay. But we have a very good program to support all our members. The membership program I put together is not to benefit me or make me rich. It's to help other people. And we give away 20 times back what you put in. Ask any of our members. It's why 95% of our members of our live viewers are members. And they watch 4 or 5 hours a day, every day. And it's the commitment that we have here. And I return with cash prizes. It supports the live shows. If I wanted to make money, I'd make lots of little videos. But I go live all the time for our members. We have exclusive content. The list goes on and on and on and on. But anyway, you are entitled to your opinion. Of course you are. That's entirely up to you. All right? But if we had everybody calling us in, we'd have chaos, wouldn't we? So it is one of the perks for our members. Right. It's getting stronger and stronger right now. I said I'd have a green day today. Some of you agreed with me, some of you didn't. Daniel, what has computer science got to do with it? Church of Logic is asking. Got a lot of small and very large investors here in the chat. And you can, we all support each other. So if you want to talk to any of our members, you can. Some days I only get 19 times back. But we like mine, so we stick around. Yeah, Shad, I only get 19 times back today. So yeah, you're right. I want a refund on my $1.99 a month. You're right. I would do that as well. Anyway, so we'll come up to that magical point of the show. We'll come up to the end. If anyone does a $10 super chat, we will do a song to end the show. If anybody wants to do that. And if anybody wants to do a super chat, by the way, and wake up my algorithm, because there's been no super chats for a month, right? My income has gone. So if anybody wants to do a request, a song, or just they love the channel, or become a member, wake the algorithm up, be brilliant. Basically, the stock market is so efficient, and you're competing against computers. We all agree with that. We all agree with you on that one, Daniel. I'm not trying to compete with anybody. I'm also not trying to time the market. I've done my research in the CEOs, my research in the companies, and I'm very happy to buy the companies that I buy, and I just buy them for lower and lower prices. It doesn't matter when I entered the market, even though I entered the market at the worst time in the world, right at the peak of after COVID, I'm looking to buy the best prices, and I keep buying cheaper and cheaper over and over again. My stats professor said 9% of people lose 9% of their investment in the first 90 days. Day traders do. 95% of day traders lose money. It's why I'm not a day trader. I am an investor of great companies. I'm live every day looking for the better and better prices. If you are a day trader and you're trying to get in and out in seconds, and I have done that, and there is a time to do so, but if that is your fundamental principles, then yes. But remember, you're talking about education and studying here. What we are doing is investing not as an education or from a book. We're actually investing with our real money, and we do it live every single day. I never lost 90% in 3 months. There you go. Church didn't do it. But anyway, When this is not a virtual, technology, whatever. This is our real trades, our real money, our real positions. Okay, so this isn't just on paper. This is real. Anyway, hello. I'm driving I'm driving. Could use a day trader song. You could do a day trader song. Well, if someone does a $10 super chat to cover the copyright that I will lose on the ads that I've had from this show, I will do one. I do have investments I hold. Yes, I never lost 90% ever. There you go, says Church. However, I do believe in Meta, AWS and others can give you solid reasons from a programming perspective. Okay, love to hear it. Love to hear it. Consider becoming a member and you can call in, even in 2020. Daniel Cranage, yep, that's correct. I don't think you need a stats professor for that. It's a common known fact. You just got to be here and see what goes on. Holiday for a month? Yeah, a whole month. He must have just got out of college with that thinking. Professors are the worst people to listen to. Yes, this is real life, real people, real trades, real money. Absolutely. Church of Logic, you are the 10%. Yeah. They're brilliant. She trades and does well with it. Well, I'm glad to hear that. I do have investments I hold, says Nitz. Always the winners that spill out the negative to those who need to invest to build wealth. Absolutely. Absolutely. Meta to zero. Don't believe that at all. Meta to be damned to hell. Where did you go, Margin Man? Where did I go? Oh, it's Arnold again. I've been in England on the Day Trader Convention, having our party, doing the Virgin Orbit film. Remember that? It's on YouTube. You can go and see it now. Daniel, just buy some of the Bitcoin stuff. You'll be okay. People will never admit they don't know what they're doing, what they're doing. We didn't miss you, Arnold. LOL, says Mike. Yeah, I never got the invite. Everyone got the invite. Everyone gets the newsletter. Well, if you want it, of course. I'm a full stack developer. Been coding for 7 years. Meta software, React Native accounts for 15% of all apps ever made. Hundreds of millions. It's interesting. Less of the meta bashing. They pay my wages. There you go. Shad. Who's been buying Meta? Who's been buying more Meta than anyone? Look at me. I had hardly any Meta at all. I had like $400. I now have $4,500. Don't have a go at me, Shad. I had been buying the Meta all the way down. I would be 80% down now if I hadn't bought this. Look. I've been buying it all the way down. Look at my history. Look at my history. No one's been buying more than me. I'm the biggest Meta investor in the world. Look at me buying it. Look at that list. October 26th, look, 24, 7 shares, 4 shares, 2 shares, 2 shares. Each time, 110, 109, 107, 106, 105, 99, 96, 96, 96, 95. I keep buying it. 94, 79, 94, 64. Right there in front of your very eyes. Every time it drops, I buy a bit more. My life, very stable. Mike is sad. Mike is one of our top members. He's not sad at all. One of our best friends, supporters of our channel, here all the time. Wonderful guy. I'll hear nothing said against my mate Mike. The Church of Logic, gosh, I hope we'll be paying my own wage in 20 years. I hope I'll be paying my own wage in 20 years. I certainly hope so. I believe you, says Nitz Farrell. Good man, Shad. Thanks, Martin. Absolutely right. One of our best friends here on the channel. Oh, Mike. Right. It doesn't look like anyone wants to request a song. That's fine. So I think we're going to come to the end and take a short break. My overall portfolio, I said it would be green today. and it's getting closer and closer and closer. I was a subscriber, but then disappeared. But then disappeared. I felt I didn't get the full potential. Yeah, but you're missing out on the cash prize draw on Friday. For all subscribers and members, it's our cash giveaway, prize giveaway on Friday. So over there on Twitch, we have 5 subscribers. All you got to do, Arnold, is become a subscriber again using Amazon Prime. It's free. And this Friday, we're doing our cash prize draw, and then there's only 5 subscribers. And 2 of those are me and Leah. So there's only 3 in the draw. So if you become a subscriber on Twitch, renew it. I already used my Prime. Well, just switch it to my channel then. Switch it to my channel, because you're going to get a cash prize draw on Friday. Anyway, I took a break. I'm live every day, Monday to Friday, 5 days a week, all the time. It's my annual vacation. I'm here now until next year, every single day. So I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, so there you go. That's why you need to subscribe to Twitch. You can't have to wait a month. What do you mean you can't have to wait a month? The draw's on Friday. Salisbury Hills by Peter Gabriel. Ah. Yeah, but you remember, Daniel, you said you don't want to pay for anything. You don't want to give me a tip or anything. It's a $10 super chat for me to do a song. And I do it for my members, and you don't want to be a member either. Anyway, stop buying Meta, buy Tesla. I've got enough Tesla. There's my Tesla. I've got $9,679. A lot of tech guys are cheap. Yeah, they are. It's $2 a month. I want to call in. I want to do this. I want to do that. I'm getting back to work, but enjoy the stream, guys. Think twice about trading without big data. What exactly does that mean? Daniel, we're live investors and traders. We're here every day trading live. What exactly do you mean? Think twice about trading without big data. What exactly does that mean? Okay, CPU. Look at Rivian. Fantastic. Who's big data? I know, I ain't got a clue. What you're saying, Daniel, sounds like you've read a book. How old are you? Sounds like you've read a book and you're just reading it back. We are real traders, real investors with real money. Literally surviving. You're competing against computers in the market. We're not competing against anyone. We do our own trades, our own investments. I'm not trying to beat the market. I'm not trying to time the market. Just resubbed on Twitch. About time, Shad Stream. That's better. We've now got 6. That's better. Right, you'll be in the draw on Friday. A daily long-term investor. I am here every day, but you notice we've changed the name of the channel, Arnold. Have you noticed? It's no longer the Day Trader. It's Martyn Lucas Investor. I buy great companies at great prices, and I buy them more when they go lower, and I'll never pay the same price twice. I always buy it cheaper and cheaper. I'm here live every day. I trade every day, but I'm not a day trader. I'm an investor looking for great companies that will make me money in the future and provide me with a great income. But that doesn't mean to say I can't scalp off the top if the time is right. Yeah, my bad. Forgot it ran out. Yes, Shad. Sort it out. What's going on? You got a month for free. Yeah, and now I've got to give a cash prize away, and you got a month for free. Can't believe it. Right, I told you guys I would turn green, and you all went, no, you won't. No, you won't. You keep buying Meta. You're an idiot. I'm an idiot, like Mark Zuckerberg, apparently. Well, guess what? I'm going to turn green in a minute, and you're all going to be wrong. Seb Dean's got his fingers crossed. I like Seb Dean. I bet Seb Dean would be a good bloke to have a drink with. I think Seb Dean's a good bloke. I like him. I get on with him. Arnold is all about himself. I noticed that. Switch from day trading to investing. Yes. I still trade. Still buy, sell on the day, in the minute if I want to. But I wanted to be clearer about what my channel really is. Anyway. Wow. Haha, you actually did. I mean, you like a king all these surnames. Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader, World Piano Man, etc. Well, I am the World Piano Man. I didn't get a month for free. I didn't get month for free. It only ran out last week. Oh, okay. I'll forgive you then. That's all right then. Right. 94.41. Can I get some more meta? 94.64. 94.41. I'm going to buy another meta. $94.46. It's fine. 94. What did I get it for? 94.46. Okay, another one. My average now is 20% down on a day when I should be 25% down. So that's okay. Market are intelligently driven. My AI, by AI, I think you mean, and get flooded by big hedges and drain the price to get people to sell at bad times. They don't get me to react at bad times or sell. Hold during the bear down. Good luck. I'm not the AI and whatever you want to call it doesn't get me to sell. I don't ever sell at a loss unless I want to, and I know it's going down instantly and I'll buy it at a lower price, or I wish to take the money and use it somewhere else. But as a general guide, I don't go around selling because of fear. Never do fear. There's no fear on this channel ever. Not true at all. Again, I can tell you, you have no experience in trading or FINRA, Church of Logic. Yeah, you do sound like a young, knowledgeable, read a book type person, Daniel. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's what you sound like. Anyway, let me know. I hope we can meet one day. A few pints. Yeah, Seb, be good. Well, next year, 2023, we are doing the Day Trader Convention. It looks like either New Mexico, Virgin Galactic, or the New York Stock Exchange in New York. And the people that came to the UK one in October all want to come to America. So it'd be even better than last year. Well, even better than last month. That's what I meant to say. Shad, 7% Tilray. Let's have a look at my Tilray. Oh, lovely stuff. Oh, hello. There we go. That's better. Tilray looking good. 7%. I'm up 17% on Tilray. Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on here? What's going on here? Tilray, look at this. Tilray is up 10.7. Look at that. Tilray. I'm up $638 now. Lovely stuff. I'm not selling it because this will be $40 a share when that once the legislation goes through. With your logic, there would be no Warren Buffett or Cathie Wood. They would not exist. Church, you got that spot on. Up 16% now. You're up 16%. Oh, yeah. Oh, total return. Yeah, I'm up 18%. Very, very nice. I think using your name makes much more sense for you as a brand. Yes, that's what I thought. Because if you go to Google and type in Martyn Lucas, you will now find my YouTube channel because I use my name in the title. Sounds like Daniel as a book to sell us. Yeah. Got any plans for Halloween, Martyn? None whatsoever. I'm a miserable old sod. Just stay in the house, watch the telly. Hosting a house party tonight. You are? I'm not doing nothing. Just some idiot on YouTube. I like that. Do you sell options and enter stocks you like, or just buy when you like the price? Yeah, I don't options trade at all. I don't believe in it. I don't options trade. I just buy great companies at the best prices, refuse to pay more. Once I pay here, I'll only pay here. I'm fully in. I'm fully allocated. I hold nothing on cash. I'm buying the markets hand over fist when they go down. Keep investing long term. I know exactly what my goal is, exactly what I wish to achieve, and I'm sticking by it. Would love to. Flights are expensive for me as a student, though. There we go. But you're in the UK, you're in the US, right? So the party will be near you next time, either New York or New Mexico. But New Mexico, you trying to do drugs? No, we're trying to go to Virgin Galactic. That's what we're doing. I am the only one chatting. I can't see anyone else chat, or just because I'm not a member. Nits, everyone's chatting. Everyone's chatting, Nits. Just go onto here and change from top chat to live chat. See here, look, it says live chat. Go live chat, top chat or live chat, and then also click here and make sure that you are red. Make sure the live is red. If it's grey, you're behind. All right? But everyone's chatting. Everyone's chatting. Everyone can be seen. It's not a members only chat. No, 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 no. He walks around school with his textbook and tells everyone, look at it. Look, it's in the book. You are wrong. The Day Trader is a popular username. That's why I want to be different. Church, you're not wrong. Wonder what happened to cause that Tilray pump. I've no idea. And now it's going back down again. But I'm not worried. I will research it and try to find out. Oh, I'm in the UK. Well, we were in the UK in October. We were in Cornwall. Why didn't you come to Cornwall? We were there. We were there with Tom, the DJ, and everybody. Poor Daniel. He's probably a great guy, but he does come across as the one guy who knows more than anyone else. Manchester. That's right. Why didn't you come to Cornwall then? We had Alicia, Patricia come from Italy. We had people come from all over the place. But if you sell put options at prices you like, collecting premium and getting the stock at the price you want, it works well for me. Yeah, we've got a lot of options traders here. Just Some Idiot on YouTube. We've got lots here, but I'll tell you now, it's not my strategy. I like to own the actual company, not a contract. See, I like owning the companies. I believe in the companies, the CEO, what they're doing, what they innovate, where they're going in the future. I don't care less about a piece of paper or a contract. I like to own the companies and watch it grow. Yeah, it was my dad's birthday. Ah, I see. I see. I'm up in Preston. There you go. Shad didn't come either. He's a miserable sod as well. He didn't come either. Anyway, I'm nearly green, 0.79. Fair enough. Each to his own. Just to give you full information about who we are, Just Some Idiot. I hate saying that. But anyway, my name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. This is my music TV studio. And if I get a $10 super chat, I will do one of 650 songs, 14 voices, and 7 different languages at my piano. Let me give you a wave. All the studio comes to light, all the moving heads start going on, and all the smoke comes down. Wow, tell us how you really feel, Martyn. Oh, it's okay. I'm just some idiot. That's all right. We're all idiots. Every one of us. That's why we're here, right? We're here every day, 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. If you are a YouTuber, I've got a great gift for you. Are you a professional YouTuber? Or see, it's my full-time job. This is my full-time job. I stream up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday, 5 days a week. And this is my full-time job. And we're trying to grow the best, not the biggest, but the best YouTube channels in the world. There are 2. And if you don't know, here's my music channel as well. Yeah, who is it? Are you a professional YouTuber? Because if you are, I've got a surprise for you. Only if you have faith, though. Here is the Martyn Lucas channel. I'll give you the link for it. It's Ed Nevius is here. We just played your little. There's my channel. If you want to subscribe to my music channel, Ed Nevius. I'm actually just starting, so I'm not anywhere yet, but hopefully soon. Well, I can guarantee you. Shall we do it? Shall we do our leap of faith trust thing, folks? Shall we do it? For Just an Idiot, shall we do it? All right. Okay. I'm going to do something very, very special for you. All right, but you've got to trust me. This crazy man on YouTube. All right, so I'm going to invite you, just before I play Ed's video, I'm going to play Ed's video. I'm going to invite you here to become a member of my channel. It's a couple of bucks a month, and I promise you that you will get 20 times back what you put in. I promise you. And I will do something really, really special for you. Really, really special. If you just trust me, I won't tell you all the perks you get. There's the invitation to join. If you join live right now in the show, I will do something for you, and you will go, oh my God, I can't believe it. But you've got to trust me. If you don't trust me, that's fine. But ask everyone. I'm the most honest, real person on YouTube. But I could be just making that up. It's up to you. If you want to test the theory, if you want to take a chance on me, I promise I'll do something great for you. All right. Anyway, let's see if he does it. Anyway, here is Ed Nivius. I want to play Ed Nivius. Here he is. Great Discord channel. Go and check him out. He's on our channel, by the way.
I enjoy this so much. I'm on a lot of teams, and your content and your energy and your music, I love it. So I'm glad to be here. I love your content. I love your music. I love your broadcast. I'm so happy to be here. So
there you go. That's Ed Nivius. Let's see if Just an Idiot becomes a member. You see, everyone's got a badge after their name. It's because 95% of our viewers, the highest engagement rate on YouTube, even more than Mr. Beast. He has between 7 and 8% of his live viewers are members. 95% of my viewers are members. Highest on YouTube. If you become a member, I promise you something amazing is going to happen, all right? Let's see if he does it. Church, starting my own channel for travel and education, socialist is a real estate next year. Hope you can help us. Yes, Church, if you become a gold member, you get the 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month. Remember, I will break down everything in the studio, help you build the channel. I'll do everything for you, help you. And of course, as a silver member, I can't tell you what it is, can I? Because I'm hoping that our guest is going to become a member. But you know what you're going to get, and of course I'll help you. Rob McLean is here. Oh, folks, a great break. There he is. Rob McLean. Let's put him on the channel.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Now, for all of those of you in the UK, you need to check the times of your shows. Because at the moment, we are 1 hour out of sync with each other. All right? I'm going an hour earlier or an hour later than normal. I'm actually not. It's because the where I am in Chicago time zone, Dallas, our summertime, wintertime, whatever you want to call it, changes 1 week after the UK. So check your times, and you will see. And all you got to do is go to the where am I a minute? All you got to do is go to the upcoming live streams. Okay, upcoming live streams. And where is it? And click on it, and you'll see it shows the time in your time zone. All right. So the next upcoming live stream is there. Look, and if you click on it, you will see whatever time it is in your time zone. All right. So check it over the next week. It will seem earlier because the time zone is different in the US than it is in the UK at the moment. Hello, my friends. Every time Martyn says gold member, all I can think is, yeah, I know. Austin Powers. I know. I often think that as well. My computer's going really slow today. It's had a month's break. It should be fast. Why is it so slow? Anyway. Oh, I know why, idiot. I'm the idiot now. Look, I'm on the wrong screen. Right, let me go back. I'm just 0.61. I said I'd be green today. You all thought I was an idiot. Meta Platforms is going sideways at 94. I'm not going to buy any more in case it goes any lower, but I'm just holding it right now. Anyway. We are really at the end of our show. We've gone way over the show. I'm back, of course, for the closing bell this afternoon. Is our Just Some Idiot on YouTube? Is he still here, or is he gone? Let me see if he's still here. Oh, he's still here. He's just not saying anything. If he becomes a member, he's going to get a big surprise. Anyway, I bought some at 99 and a couple of 94.60. Nice. I've been buying it all day long. I've been buying it now for a week since it started crashing. He's just inputting his credit card details. Yeah, let's hope so. Let's see if we've got any more subscribers today. Let's have a quick look. How many? We had 198 come through the show. Now then, a final word how everyone can win on Friday. I'm going to tell you that 1-5. Oh! We started at 33. We've gained 5 subscribers today. 5 subscribers. Very, very good. Very, very happy. Had a bit too much last night. What you did, Ed. Right. For all members, the Discord lounge is open for another couple of minutes. If anybody wants to call in, the Discord lounge is open. If you want to call in and be on the show right now, you can. If anybody wants to make a $10 super chat and do a request, you can. No one wants to wear a headset at that price. I totally agree. No one wants to wear a headset. But the trouble is, though, wear a headset. Trouble is, though, Taylor, you're saying that Meta's going to fail because of the metaverse. No, it ain't. All they've got to do is turn the tap off. And Meta, as it is today, Facebook will boom. I'm not at all concerned. 2.9 billion customers and growing more customers all the time. Facebook's fine. All they've got to do is spend a bit less. And at the end of the day, you know, it's for the analysts. The analysts are the one that said that the target should have been up. Facebook didn't say that. What's that? Hair and wetsuit. Hair and wetsuit? What's going on? What about mine? I played with pens on a table. He did. Eyal did. He played the drums with pens. So you guys, see you guys later. Enough of Meta for one day. Church has had enough. He's out of it. He's had enough. So I'm not talking about Meta anymore. Well, aren't you going to be here to see me turn green and say I told you so? See you later, church. Right then, for all of you that want to win the prize on Friday, I am doing a cash prize draw for any item in the merchandise store you want. The most expensive item, I don't care. You can have it, right? All you've got to do, some of you haven't done it. Only a handful of people have watched them all. Now, I know you're thinking, I don't want to watch all 42 videos. You don't have to. Go onto the homepage of the channel. Here it is. This is the playlist. You have to watch all of these. There are 42. But all you've got to do is click play all. As I finish now, go onto the playlist and just click play all. Because some of you've left comments and likes, but you've not all watched it all the way through. Only 6 of you have done it. You've got 1 in 6 chance. All right? So all you got to do is when we finish now is go onto the homepage of the YouTube channel. Look. Scroll to this first thing here, investing on the stock market, click play all. If it pauses after 15, 20 minutes, just press it again. You can leave it. You don't have to sit and watch it. Just let it play all. And then you'll watch all the playlist and then you'll be in. Some of you missed Saturday's and yesterday's show. So you're not in the draw. Some of you missed Saturday's and yesterday's show. So just click play all and let it run all the way through. If you do that, you'll be in the draw on Friday. I'd hate for you to miss out. And I told you I was going to turn green, but no one ever listens to me. Right? Just about to turn green. There you go. Let's have a quick look on Tilray. Tilray now is up 13.5%. I'm up 20% on Tilray. I'm not selling it until it goes to $40 a share. Quite honestly, I'm going to find out what's going on with Tilray, why it's popped up today, but I will do so. My overall portfolio has turned green. No surprise there. Said it would. The S&P is coming up. Ford is up. Hey, Churchy, we're going to do the Virgin Galactic earnings later on in the week. Oh, I'm green, 0.2. There you go, see? Rivian, Lucid, everyone sold it just to buy it back again. Amazon, Apple, it's basically everything. Look, it's great. I love it. I love it. Google, Microsoft, even Meta's coming up. Can't mention it because Church has had enough. He said, I'm sick of it. Right. I think that's it then. Okay. We are back this afternoon for the closing bell. If you've not yet become a member, here's an invitation. If you're watching and thinking, I would like to be on Discord and have my own channel, you can. If you become a member, you can. Here is Discord. Here's the link in the chat right now. There you go. And if you want to be in our free prize draw, we do it every Friday. Every Friday, all you've got to do is go onto the All Links button and sign up for our newsletter. And you can win cash prizes. It tells you what video to watch, what comment to leave. There is the newsletter. Here is the the link it will come to. And here is all my free giveaways, all my free stocks that I give to people, all down the list there, all my social media. Go and check it out and put your email in there. Don't forget to verify the email. It'll always go into your junk folder. The email you're looking for is thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Make sure that you find that and you will be all in on the draw. All in with the newsletter. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. All right. I think we're done. Thank you very much for all being here. Market Profit is coming right at the end of the show. Market Profit, long time no see. It's great to have you here. Market Profit, lovely to have you here, one of our moderators. Are you still a member, or did you let your membership lapse? I don't know, because he comes on a different account, right? Anyway, all looking good. It's time to end today's first show. Now, if you've just come in and you're watching on the repeat, please subscribe and ring the bell. There you go. We are going to do the earnings of Virgin Galactic and the FOMC report, Jerome Powell. So make sure that you are here for that. And don't forget, if you haven't yet, smash the like button. We've got 31 likes. If you can smash the like button, that would be great. So I'm going to let you go now. So if you want to be Market Profit, I'd love you to do this. I know you're not interested in winning a prize, but it really helps our channel grow. It really helps. Go on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Scroll down to this playlist here. All you got to do is click play all and let it run through. There are 42 5-minute videos. You haven't got to watch them. Just let them run through and you'll be in our draw for Friday. Just let them run through and you can choose any item you want from our merchandise store. Just let it run through. Please go and do that now when I end the show. I can see who's done it because it comes up. Will do, Martin. Thank you. Hello, Patty. Thank you so much. It really helps the channel grow. And just click on the play all here of that playlist there, right on the top. You can see it's right on the top there, look. And you'll be in the draw on Friday. But even if you don't want the prize, it really helps the channel grow. The channel's been asleep now for a month. In fact, my members have kept it alive. We've only dropped a few members, which is great, and we've done okay. We've had no super chats, by the way, for a month, but other than that, we've been all right. Okay, I'm gonna get off. We've got 23 watching. You've stayed with me the entire time, but I'm gonna disappear now. So all I want to do is thank you. Let me come back to here a minute. Thank everyone that supported the channel while I was away. Many of you watched the videos. If you didn't, now is the chance to watch the playlist. Let it run through, please. It really helps the channel grow. I look forward to seeing you back for the closing bell. I've looked forward so much to this day. I've had a wonderful holiday. Me and Leah had a wonderful time in Cornwall. All of our well, not just UK. We had Alicia, Ale and Patricia come from Italy. We had Tom, we had Nicky Boy Gaming and others join us from all over the place, and we had a wonderful time in Cornwall. Next year we're going to do it in either New Mexico Virgin Galactic or the New York Stock Exchange in New York. We had a wonderful time, a wonderful break, but it's wonderful to be back with you all. This is the greatest honor, and thank you for keeping the channel going while I've been away. You've kept it from dying. Last October it collapsed. This time you kept it going. We kept the views going. And now, if you all, when I end this show now, click on that playlist, let it run through, it'll absolutely blow up the channel. It'll be absolutely great, and I'm going to watch it if you all do it. So anyway, thank you, Leah. She just brought me a nice cup of coffee. That's it from me. Thanks, Mike. I will join you guys in the US. Brilliant. Love you, bro. Take care. Ed, I'm sorry I couldn't make the call last night. I was getting set for for all the equipment. I just couldn't quite get the time to do it. That's it from me. All we got to do now is someone's got to say roll the credits, and we'll roll the credits. Let's go to the end screen. Roll the credits. Hopefully it will work. Let's scroll down. Make sure I've turned that on. And so someone needs to go roll the credits, and we will roll the credits. Let's bring in the music. Roll them, boss man. Let's do the happy music. Roll the credits live. Hopefully it will work. There it is. It works. Okay. Subscriptions, Raymond and Harrison. We got some more subscribers today. Members. That was because our members did their reminders of the fact they've been members now for a long time, 3-4 months. I think Bill was 11 months. We also celebrated Bill's birthday today. Thank you ever so much for taking part in that. Thanks to all of you, Church of Logic, Bill, 11 months, NYS 420 and Brickmark, all celebrating their memberships now. Absolutely great. That's it from me. Thank you very much for all being here. I'll see you back for the closing bell, and we are right on the green. Yes, we are green again. Let me share with you. Look, we're green. Look, see that? We are still green. Looking good. Looking good. Jason Newman's up 0.06. We're all celebrating. Fantastic. I'll see you all back later on. Have a wonderful afternoon. That's it from me. So have a quick sip of coffee. Got to let the music play out, right? Otherwise it doesn't end properly. Cup of tea, lovely. Cheers, everybody. Do you know what? I'm not going to wait for the music to end. I'm just going to end it because it's way too long. I've not got enough credits to read out. Thank you ever so much, everyone on TikTok. Thank you for the rose. Cash sent 01. If you become a subscriber, I'll make a video for you right after this video and promote your channel and get you more subscribers, more fans, because I will put a video on my homepage to 25,000 followers on TikTok. I will ask them all to vote to follow you, and I'll put your channel on this screen behind me. That's it. Thank you very much indeed. We're going green now. It's going up very nicely indeed. I'll see you all back later on this afternoon. Cheers. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.